wo de brekuma se na so no watonso Monaco junction woni a dance rubber bank ene de nhwem sa so anankra wo circle inside wa photo from on a gold station and a bench one next chemist de nhwem na o se kuma se oye adwuma efida doda kosi memene dan no pa no Sompa mu ekosa nwure no nsian kran oye adwuma Thursday no watena se ko Saturday 7:30 to 6 p.m. na watena se na friend 0244 087087 0279 087687 o friend a obejo so na bibia eso ayekama na yanka ncho sa akukọ nam ne de eno a ene ese obi awie efina ba so ne ye di aduane pai ena akukọ nam na so na opa akukọ a se enkramofo bibia yie a Christopher bibia yie se uti se da bibia ye de na fa mfidiam ne amamre ne amane yakwan so ene yakum no eye Boris B chicken ena mi du wadansa kamfo ma wo se wo de bra se akukọ ne na ope eye gizzard eye ne tire wings ana se opa akukọ na nkasa akwanye no se layers ana broilers oba Boris B chicken a ubenya bi wo ho na omu sales outlet no edos Kumasi am odu ani kire mo Bantam High Street one president sorry da no eden hwem omo sales outlet bi wasonwase market wa Santase runabout odu a oni Unity Oil den hwem ana pem poku trade na dum SG More Top High Tech and a Shell Body Junction Feno 0544 444453 0544 444453 frame na ba enkokọ ho eno masa akokọ aduane mpo na opa odu ani kire mu no ma be ko ediama last chance herbal center na ho na opima aduo ni nyina no eye obofo herbal mixture na me patro tinie ye de eye Ghana ye nu e ha ba ma no e na China ha ma ne ha na nunsini e na se yakeka bom enti we China omu no badwama so asenete China omu nunsini ha ma eni nua ene dia fra Ghana de ne dia ye nro abadwama so na aduro ni dinte obofo eba mesa me patro ya dia uduro na etutu ase ma onsanka bi na bianya fan emfama so bo otwa de a na wani nyina eye oja otwa de na oni epruso no wani bisi basa wani su bisi obo wa na ni utwa na aso wadi de ball aso akofa wisie ne nyina na se nya obofo eba mesa no na emwa obo wa na apone na aposo ne ya no ayo boho wunya bi betuma tu ase de ama Sasro mbo jari ntimi ni afusani ye wunya obofo eba mesa ebebo apa na ado ani kire mo pharmacy 52 and branch bo ka so ebi lamtemos ewo obom road a obehu omo no benya biato eno achi uruam ewo 52 eba shop a Kumasi Kenya ase duase kwano so a obehu omo ena nana boachu okaisi struggling okwa benya biato ena Dani Farmer ne shops ni nyako a obofo eba mesa benya biato ena uruam ewo takwa owas abibidro fie sankotes pharmacy wo Cape Coast ena men's or takwa de market circle ena capital o2 sunwan for 0574 353 707 533 121761 and your 0531 541755 ofra bibiabe kamano akogibina bia eso akoye eso ediama na ye catch us say Fibo Ventures na catch us say uko bi fia ade odi ka hwe wo ho eyo se Sasuna no bi kasa na pampan ewo wanuma eya na nipa na sinita so ntimi nka sumsem kruwa mpone ye de ma wa ye twemu ye wo pampan no wo sen ekere oba ne bema ubehia na Fibo Ventures ese nka nche ose omude eye toothbrushes awdo aba yo Ashford Prince eno ye nkwada de tiedi no Ashford Prince yo Ashford Princess na se nkwada mema ne ye prince nkwada ma de ne ye princess and yo Ashford Evidence Ashford Executive and you Ashford Friendly and Ashford Galaxy. No so nya toothbrush na wie no wunya apos in a drone and no toothpaste outdoor yawo Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste and a Get Clear toothpaste and a Alloy toothpaste and a peppermint toothpaste and what you know open doso per to akoton open ba kwa contact Fibo Ventures na kwaje ba kwa na say open ni doso per to akoton nyamfa so bebra na so akọ 0241 545646 0241 545646 na 0200 600 0934 na bia so aye fine e di amount na ye ka tro say eno ne True Worth Vision capsules eno na say True Worth product no na True Worth product ni na say True Worth product no unya bia ebebo product bi True Worth Vision capsules obi a otwa de ahunu ye opese wani cataract no enwaka glaucoma no enwaka ena eyade se de bia otwa de ahunu ye ama wusu de kwa na oba na de suasem nkonkan wunya True Worth Vision capsules ebebo no ene ye wo Prostilab na Prostilab no eno best medicine for prostate diseases and to prostate issues no adwonso ni mai na twetwa sisi waya so na anoma enkoye no wunya bia ebebo apa adwonso obre odwonso na adwonso no twetwa si eno achi no ye male 40s na male 40s no ebo emema mamu bo adwuma wo mpam wa wuni atenka no esam watenka sam kosro evisamasa wo ye bema na bo adwuma na hu sane obade ne nsafa onofo ano so nsampa bibi koye menu aba so nsampa ye wo joint 40s o eno eyade se arthritis etu ase ena ewo pono aposi ne betu ase man de no lady 40 eno oba o mensesema entwa ye onya bia beboa saso na won sama ye dene edama o de lady 40 ena unili bitu a watenka sama foma ni wapebia me be kama esa ye obi a active core cleansing eno no hurumo jano emamo jani defu sane mani pedua no medite ya funu nyina no ehon tekama unya bebeboa wana mframata be gyina yam ye kan bloat na uyam so atim constipation uye kesebe woni nyo unya active core air cleanser ebetu ase dia ma frɛ number 0206 595707 0558724302 ufra bibia be kama eso edia ma ebrani nie sompa chade sika promotion na se sompa ye ba ababe choska sompa sika promotion no ni nyina no se obehwe ama bia kama ye tan se chosika na bia kama ofa phone na nyaska akra eto umomo wallet no so utu ba ku bia eye 5 cities eno no so be dial star 256 star 3 hours star 256 star 3 hours o dalia na obo se options ba be sompa kuma se sompa nkranza sompa sunyane no for option 1 sompa no opia dia ba mo na woto no o opportunity akwanya ese ubenya sika bebre ubedibi ama be kama ntini e be cho sika ama be kama esompa sika promotion na bia so e fan e brani ni ya bani ya breaking it down attaching it down knocking it down we jejam yompo amano nsemo eso e dia man yen shansam na say emfra bi brem ha e ba e CAF Champions League last weekend any team shots here na so far clubs outdoor a BG win a because of a defeat a bi so etimi nya draw group stages mo bi brem ha na emfa to anim say team back a your friend with that athletic opemo Morocco ho eno mu so maka Moroccan league no na no pema e Botola Pro League no Moroccan league no was suffer defeat ni nyina no so on far Rabat and with that athletic eno mu koboy and enra omulusu 3-1 na me part of the last 3 games with that athletic etima bonom in all competitions omo alusu 3 games no enetima twatwa so enra del pem Botola Pro League no Moroccan league no far Rabat etwam 3-1 obeka nanu weekend no backup Champions League team of free Botswana your fan Dwanin Galaxy ebeshan kaba kwa wentmante and watching no obepema the maiden edition of African Football League okopemo Pretoria Mamlodi Sounders eso chine bonu 2-0 momuji the maiden cup ni so na so entebasa the last 3 games team a friend with that Atletica omu bezo Morocco omu lusu 3 games ni na periportaba essence Walid Wagragi where Morocco national team boss no a free team no coach Morocco national team no normal SSA edema with that athletic team no and no edebaye jamu na experience na watri awie omu pemo Tanzania ho eno omu ni Ahila at the air copim so be Friday na team no anwumre e no mo bom nkete aso afri e chese omo kromo mo e touch down e o Tanzania na om de akopim so na ma memfa nto am se game betotwa e wo opem wo e Tanzania in Kappa Stadium no opem na se enkane Blasters coach where former Kotoko player your friend James Katache Mayela Kwasiapia and an assistant coach your friend Ignatius Ofosu Diamete say omo be touch down e wo e o my friend Tanzania omo kwotwe Ahila and experience omo game ni bi ni nyina no say o Sudan national team boss or no e kwa community ye players omo ball e wo national team no no atwa omo a obetima invite omo e do omo be pem Sudan national team no entwane na assistant ye friend Ignatius Osefosu and na eko pem Tanzania akwotwe Ahila and experience omo game ni bi no e de free James Katache Mayela Kwasiapia na so ye eba ye jam edamamo na Roma ebe pm e Sudan or the command team player Americ and what the command ni nyina no say FIFA a order Americ eso buntua esika $25,000 and from Uganda team of Express FC adaya almost say team of Uganda Express FC ton player team of Americ na ton player no team 2022 na plan no bone $45,000 na $45,000 no and a team yewam Marik etu canon $25,000 as to admit to a friend Express FC or more Uganda for player your friend Eric Kambali na Eric Kambali ko no team no esha omo as said the remaining $20,000 no on betua edamomo na omo tua sika $20,000 na akanon that's the first payment e 20th August 2022 dia kanon team of Marik enyantua and the team of Express FC and the Kodan FIFA and one at FIFA the Krata up at Amarik as woman Tresicanon and Famomo Nanya just $20,000 almost sent to additional $5,000 and your legal fee a bread team from Express FC and the complaint about FIFA Sikomu Trenon Omuntran can $5,000 now quite $25,000 Omun 45 days SS woman Tria or more at the ban transfer ban ebetma to team and friend Marik almost so and no idea ba me breaking it down ma touching it down me Ramos South African coach ye friend Piso Mosmane or run up babon tabe breaking it down I said no cre or kasa or no or pese or coach or walk up say anka 2026 FIFA World Cup no ebetodo Canada Mexico ni America no na ko no Piso Mosmane anko ja dugout na ko coach and national team bi enu ne bizan say opanyini o twa say babia South Africa wa o we so be coach South Africa ana say him Nigeria mateso mo no wudi nkomo ese owura na ye friend Pesero omo peso omo pam no na nkomo do ba peso ko wo se no kra we Nigeria team na e unbelievable o twa esimlam play for Samo Chukwueze na wo Victor Simena or Bodman Napoli na twa Ola Aina na Calvin Basimo team no ye team aye coach na benya obetimi de aye adwuma no na mom one thing so of South Africa or person South Africa e qualify e ko Premier World Cup South Africa so omo qualifiers na against Benin any other game on boy and watch Nigeria game against Lesotho and so he na Zimbabwe ni nyina no timi hwebi na e yadese the all can so no there we open eso onya World Cup bia obetimi akoko team open bia no Piso Mosmane eso betuma be fana ma bia eso aye kama eno e dia ba touch way down and former Barcelona or panyina no no ya adwuma ye fa Mateo Alamani or panyini diamete na no pai ese ne ya wo show ni interest all consider eso Premier Spanish Football Federation onya adwuma na obetuma kwa as the president and you so far or Reverend Mateo Alamani the fina so ya ba me jama dema and the UEFA champion Champions League matches out to be match day 5 send an games no Besiako about 5 for 12 Opiamo Rams Global Stadium on a Galatasaray and Manchester United at the Pimso now Pima or Panina Ofreno USA Sanchez of Spain pay the center referee and now Pima Galatasaray fans at the Nyom Senko and Elma Abranton Moro Ikadi now Moro Ikadia so far friend El Patron Niente Numa Galatasaray fans at Tradiamano.
Yo sigo rapeando, los hemos de lo mejor. Con Mulera en el portería canto todos los días. Mulera es mejor, Mulera canto todos los días. Mulera, Mulera, Mulera.
Hay parte de la gente que viene escuchando, que rapeando, que pecando, que sudando arriba, que le pido, que tocando, tirando la plena.
No, a Galatasaray, or fans and almost in there, or run your friend El Patrono, and yet Moro Ikadi, or Bessie Formune, I had Jumatia Manchester United, and no idea by a Jamu Jamamo. Now, Pima, young fan 5 for 5, another game with Tuja, and we are Sevilla, a PSV, and no Upema Estadio Remo Sansa Pijuan, one about Tuja referee from Italy, your friend David Mansa, and Agent, and Watchable Eta, your Bamun. Boko Pit Egan, Alliance Arena, referee from France, your friend Stephanie Frappa, and Agent, National So Penina, your friend Gavi Manasa Javi Martinez, or Royal Pojuma, Edama Bamunchin Pen, on your Busan so for Penine, your for Champions League Gusso today, season with Team Bay and their favorite was it with Manchester City Crown, or Petima, where the biggest favorite, or Betimi Aji, your for Champions League, then a Bamunchin team, no, Yenta Brante, friend Javi Martinez.
Different opinions about everything from big players that have had careers and now sit in the stands. Do you think he has won them all over, and did you expect him to be able to do that as quickly if he has?
Who, sorry?
Harry's game. And do you think he has won over the characters that now sit in judgment?
Yes, I think also, I don't know him personally, Harry, but I think he's a very open guy, like
no, and summer around the Tuka, Ninania hurricane effect, no, hurricane banner what Johnny Bamunchino, Ama Omu chances, some bet my winning, you offer Champions League this season, as I was so papa, now Ricardo, when your hurricane picture no pay, now all your training now Kadia Biaso Diamame, Ninan's hurricane, so far, Urama Tajani Pusotimus Muni Chrono, a whatever hot papa, which hurricane dress and pa, a cover for so fun, our dear training. Otim sawo suno na tono na Jamal Musiala esono ya de se otim compete training na ba mu nchini ye for a game omo ba bebo ne no eno e de ba ye jamu eso e de mam otuma no so na kro ba mu nchem ba yo for Champions League group stage omo ekra record as a team omo the longest unbeaten so far 38 games group stage small team even ba mu nchem omo nya lusubi omo abo winning 35 draw Air 3 and watch the longest winning streak. Air Bamunchin, Omuna winning 17 games in a row. The last 17 games are Bamunchin upon Champions League now. Oma winning in and no Ed Dawa, ye Jamu Edamam, and a most consecutive years. As so much more winning a bar at just the first 4 games. Group stages are and ye Bamunchin, Neso Grama, a Dumadomo Bo, a Yadessa, Oma winning games in and with their banner, the last 8 games are Oma Bon the last 28 games now, at least Oman Sheko Krana, on pressure 1 goal, as to Ediatiao, and no Edia banded last time, Omlusu 3-2, Ewo April 2021, our Alliance Arena, Omu Elusu home game, our Champions League, our Alliance Arena, and no compare PS Nebe Omsanya Duano, na Enwachina, Omu Etma winning Air 10, Etmi Adro Air 2, and no Edia Dawa, Ye Jamu Edamamo, Ewo Jumadiano so, and Sampi, and yet Amamo, na uko Rama Yanfantuanem, SN8 Arsenal, and loans airport, Ewo Emirates, and no Prima Arsenal air training, and Ra, na Mikel Arteta, and na Orefa Martin Odegaard, o Timi Bonamulo Bonusulia, na Teta Bonusana Niache, o Nya Ronaldo Siunu Krana, o Betima Yebi, and no that's why ye jamo, at the Amo Jumadian so, na Brante Leandro Trossard, and na Edituka, SSS position B. Pia, or Mikel Arteta, the moment Trossard, we're ready to play. Now, make for the crown obey.
Sort of struggled since Granit left to find someone there. I think Kai's played there, Dex played there, Emil. Do you feel like that's a position you can nail down if you got sort of chance to play there regularly?
Yeah, I think so. Like I said, it's a position I can handle as well. Playing it now there as well in my Belgium national team. So yeah, if I can get a run, it's different as well. But like I said, I need to be switched on because it can change every week. It's also based on a game plan. Not every team plays the same system, and I think the manager, yeah.
And we some Leandro Trossard, Edia to try a demamo, na and watch no Rama, and the boy 8 Real Madrid. Na Emom Phantom said Ben White, a Arsenal player. They made a contract extension or Arsenal netting come out to the final stages or best standing contract that was 2028 at the Ama Arsenal. Na Real Madrid in Napoli, as when about 8 to Benabawa, referee from France, your friend Francois Letizy, and Ejinam, na Real Madrid almost started lineup now. And the Bibiansia, ye Benya goalkeeper Andre Lunin, Damnia Deni Cavaya, na Yanya Felon Mente, David Alaba Rutica, ye Benya Federico Valverde, Nyanya Tony Cruz, Jude Bellingham, Nyanya Rodrigo, and Ibrahim Diaz, or more and a Bessas here, now Copium or Napolia, Nessa Abrante Fen Zelensky, and Giza, and Upiama Lord Botka, and Vitsa Politano Ne Quarascalia, or Munano, bet me Asha said Yamati. Your friend in Napoli, and no at the Dawa ye jam at Jamamo, Nauko Pema, young Fanton Sub Benfica, and Inter, and you 8 Abaso Estadio Dalu, and no at Jeba, Real Sociedad, and Salzburg, Elbo, and no 8 Game to 8, and a SC Bra, Union Berlin. Stadio Municipal de Bra, referee from France, your friend Clement Tapin, or no Anna Ejinam, na so far Upema no games with Toga, Urama Sena groups now, Esite Yanyaka teams are almost Etima qualify, na teams Etima qualify no, and yet easy, Oko Pema Infant to name, as so far 10 teams, and Etma advance Quacopium, as so award the run of 16, our knockout stage, Yamotu RB Leipzig, your Dortmund Bamunchim, Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid, Barcelona. Real Sociedad, Lazio Inter, and your Man City qualify. Na teams are or more end team qualify. Yasha Enyeno, Royal Antwerp, Benfica, your Celtic, your Resta Belgrade, Feyenoord, Salzburg, RB Salzburg, and your Union Berlin, and a young boys also at the end. Now, Kopema Yamfan to him, as for the first time. I just hope Pema, yet team and your 8 teams free Spain. I so far, or move teams now out of F5 clubs from Champions League now, move 4. A team of qualified realm, as so our knockout stage, or Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid, Barcelona, Real Sociedad, Omuna Ramo, the run of 16, said the Sevilla and Intima, Upema Germany, our 3, Leipzig, Dortmund, Bamunchen, and Italy 2, Lazio Inter, and England 1 Man City, and Unquanete, now Upema Spain, acquired the 8th time, and Patrol over the last decade, the last 10 years, where the 8th time, both Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Barcelona, and Netma Richard the knockout stage, and no Edeba, I at the Emma Mutumadianosom, now Upema, young fan to an name, Essa and Sam Pineba, no Penina, your friend Javi, after game against Porto, what the ensemble to Dutch choir, for Sushanoma, and Barcelona team, no, Etimina win.
It, of course, is a difficult match. It's against Porto, in my opinion. The best team in the group stage, but we are ready. We are ready to compete. I think we prepare really well today tactically, how we attack, how we're gonna attack the Porto, how we're gonna defend. So we are ready to compete. So
we are ready to compete. Now and now Barcelona birthday, and then your team Barcelona 124 years, 1899, and your team Barcelona team now 124 years na Barca. As what menya na Barcelona sisi kaba fie enra omunya 12.4 million euros and one ajono ninya 2.8 million euros for winning. So we winning game against Porto, and then watching omunya 9.6 million euros, and also for advancing to the next level to round of 16. Okay, club one has 12.4 million euros, and omunya obviously in total club no already omunya guaranteed of 70 million euros. Ninya said this year edition of Champions League, and no Edeba ya di emam e wotwumadi no so na ukorama yamfa ntwam sa Malik Chow aso uram e wotima ya fan Milan and no Oprae. Now Coprema so far this season. Milan or a player will pre injury number 25. Our Milan so far 18 as a muscular and I said to me about out of 25 injuries Milano 18 muscular injuries. Now so far Yadesa Obeko out 2024 and Obeba back Abeba and Arrigo Saki and the Milan party say team Naira Stefano Pioli on team manager Milan in your identity and you Arrigo Saki then some of their tuja Yati Amam and Ne Tumadiano so na Oko Pema Pep Guardiola as well at me Akasa at the Afa so far a 5 UEFA Champions League gamer what me about what me winning in group stages and no our first half no matter from tour or mutimi come back ebe winning 3-2
Champions League top Leipzig is last I don't know 5-6 years always a team like qualified for the last 16 quarterfinals so yeah Chelsea game like today we concede too much offensively so it's yeah, you have to, you know, in that position, you have to win duels and you have to win the action.
And we have Pep Guardiola, no. Now, Man City is why a record be. Say, I can't crab now a Liverpool or more a record, a historic unbeaten home record, no. Team Feno, a Man City, a team you call so for Liverpool, Ukopemo European Cup, any Champions League, or Motina Anfield, about 30 games or more, no, Benty Mesa, or more, it's a Man City, or Marco 29 games. Some unbeaten. Itiad and we are dear na me part of Fernando Torres as one Robin van Persie and no we are deal PMO UEFA Youth League na and no team your friend final and Atletico Madrid team no you team no Asia na omumi we coach ha and a Torres for Atletico Madrid omu team omu coach show mo am bia so team ya fine and no e de dawa ye de amam and nano pay with Madrid so now come am Lazio Banes no mo gide mapa ese atapo kumbaba be yenwaduma na enu abra Lazio Celtic etimi acho mo twa mo yi o mo film no Banes de omo di bebre and e ban man no pay tip off so me baba dane ban ni bi eso edma obi na do Celtic eye pedophile club and I say omo di aba ye di emam enu achi no omo sai edi ebi bae did Defenian bastards take shower today no eye di omo san de ma eye team friend Celtic for and then what I'm saying the famine is over go home F potato eaters and no F word you know and omutima womo just say uhwema Celtic omo I just say omuntimo Europa League crown the last 15 UEFA Champions League games omo poro omo lusu ni nyina omo the first British side and opam di 20 omo esa unwanted record no and no e de dawa ye de emam ye nyina so na ensama odwa ye bobo no ena no pay e wo e full time tumade so amano ne nsem no ye breaking it down touching it down knocking it down no ye jejam yo mpane fancy ye die on ye ba ye de aka nyina no ebeto aso e de amamo
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrem hano ebi ni baby agi se 21st clinic nkwa womuji bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womagidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert
Wahese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa wa delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchanti me chance number na so ya keke nemom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp up. And to say water provisions, fuel, Indiana, Metressa, be beer or pesa, we ye piano. Wonderful cash, I'm an I am remember. Here, obey the say, Obey star 110 hash. Next year, Kako merchant, beer, our network, beer, so and Nia.
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Meda mpano sueni na atom. Na me chika seso na me huna nyina ya me ya. Na die kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aswa ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aswa ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Awuto so a winya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Seche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales deposa ewo Ghana fanan nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses in general art, science, business, no other couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. Wash a window, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room kono, Eric Chanabati, Pico Farm say, what it timber from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piano or Ghana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over I'm a Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their phone too, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. I'm not food man. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot. You always get way more with Betway. And you wanna see.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV full time. And yeah, they brought and sepem to be a sorry so. Michael Akomia the sports Messiah ayekradwa and no Champions League night and so matches out we set to so ye be rewrema nemo mamemfa birthday we emfa emamo birthday special na ewia de akanyina atwa so ediama happy birthday enko emfa emma eye Museru Sadiq we a sports presenter at Tebebu Star FM ho ena ye adwanti Sadiq ya ma happy birthday rade nyankopon sha na omo ho ban emfa me na bibia enye kama na mom ansana akomia bebam no ma me fa nto am se Vodafone eSIM service no aba na ene dom se ka cho se hunya ese phone bebre ye ka se Vodafone eSIM service a ni nyina se original sim system na ankasa akotona de ahye phone mu no ubetimi ayusu phone abra onfa sim ankasa nchem ene ye fen Vodafone eSIM service no ni nyina na se omo se obe dial star 700 star 700 star o dial pe na was select option 6 hash na opia so star 700 star 6 hash na Vodafone was send it o send it and wa follow prompt beba no na bia ye kama ana se uya e ma hunu phone na use no the compatibility so phone no ebetimi a support Vodafone eSIM service na se entimi en support na ade ye du twam no se almost se utimi ye setup no na so use Vodafone eSIM service no bi abra unyusu the original SIM card ni bia ni nyina se omo emma boss mi bia no 5 GB of data na omo sama 20 minutes talk time to all network utim different network bia and to ma sa for 3 months and 3 months na omo ma 15 GB of data na omo ma 60 minutes talk time o different network bia and to there and so be dial star 700 star 6 hash na se wa follow na setup no ya ma bia aye kam na Vodafone eSIM service no o do ho agimna bia so aye fan na mizo drink and na miza 5G and na unam chroma emrantene mabawa no o munyina tu oguso and na mizo ni nyina se mizo fruit drink no your flavors outdoor your mango flavor and your apple and your pineapple ni nyina no se ye de no ma papa na awuram fruit bi obi da yarsa bia na so onya binum a etima na hoodene enu achi no obianum nya ne de no onya mizo fruit drink ni bia etima na num etoso papa enu achi no omse nsanka ncha ose no ma pi na ye program bia se enkramofo program abosonsomfo program Christopher program apemfo nom emerwafo nom ene ye mizo fruit drink no ene yo miza 5G na miza 5G no onanta akra no wabre na o pante sa so ena yo obi a sade edoso ni pedua no unya miza 5G a ebetima na ni nyina diama uyo obi a sia na mfifrete eye miza 5G test no so ya kama nya binom na emo na ni pedua na nhye na skin no entimi entoso na ado ani kyeremo manager Daniel 21st clinic show overseas abenya bi etu akoton obenya ba kwa so na be kind supermarket ewo eye abawa post office anmanje sister sewa sem na mi kai mama Esther ewo eye upiem Atcom Royal Ventures Ultra Baptist University na wo bokwana obenya bi hon ye wo PNC Ventures anmanje taxi station o oni charity hospital ene dian hwe ena upiem na search enterprise asafo binchi woni VIP car park ne dian hwe obetimi kwa jibi ena piem so ekwaku chi company limited ko for Eastern region obetimanya bi ho ena ye wo KF Kunju enterprise o nrom Osemwa babia taxi na elodu ko bosan na sefo no wa na open KF Kunju enterprise frena baina babia obiane yemro obi na ton na nyamfa so number na 0263185869 anase obetuma frɛ 02702054 83392 na bibia eso etim aye kama Michael Akumere sports Messiah aye crowd elha Messiah good morning. Good morning Luther Atomenka bibia boko de bibia boko na so okay no man nyina edidam no man nyina adidam afere okay ma okay bibia adidam nice one bibia adidam I was bibia adidam correct na no to me fine
yes Luther my enche etiefo ne ndi UEFA Champions League hu nkomo na no pay enra ye hu se Lazio qualify to the knockout stage of the UEFA Champions League. Now, this is the third time Lazio qualify for the UEFA Champions League knockout stage. The first one I bet me was back in 1999-2000, where the team was coached by Steve Goran Eriksson, and this was the team of Lazio: Sensini, Nesta, Favelli, Pancaro, Diego Simeone, and Okochi, Atletico de Madrid. Then Ubenya Juan Sebastian Veron, Pavel Nedved, Stankovic. Then Wabenya Simone Inzaghi. Then Wabenya El Mancini. Simone Inzaghi have always had a love story with Lazio when it comes to the playing days. And the success story Ubenya as a coach. Now, Simone Inzaghi as a player for Lazio back in 1999-2000. Not only so Timi born home one day, Etimi Eddie Omoji the Serie A title, but the furthest they've gone in the UEFA Champions League, he was part of the team. And in 1999-2000 was the same season as Lazio edge Coppa d'Italia. Edisio Monaso. Now, Ono Koye player or boy during the first time Lazio qualified to the knockout stage of the Champions League, he also became the second coach to qualify Lazio to the knockout stage of the Champions League, which happened in 2020-2021 season. It will be team now with Strakosha, Francesco Acerbi, Sebastian Radu, Patrick Marusic, Milankovic Savic, Escalante, Luis Alberto Fares, Ciro Immobile, and Calçado up front. This was a typical game against Borussia Dortmund in their group. And what also second they qualify in 2020-2021 season. As a player, he makes sure that Lazio qualifies. As a coach, Obe coaches on Lazio qualify. It will all just team no Mauricio Sarri coming to pick up such a team like Lazio. And a certain success story under a player, a former player, was about coaching team. It was a huge tax for Mauricio Sarri. In the league, things are not going on well. But in the Champions League, we're making sure say also team finding ways and means so bet me atra Feyenoord more any Celtic more na what me atoso second not ma qualify akako piemu in the knockout stages of the UEFA Champions League. Sorry na Nkasano at Napoli, some of these things were difficult for him to achieve. Ono obuke vene kra na se league no ba beji anu asate aba form. Na dodo na wogide bi say onye coach abetimi do won ato no se trophy ko betimi agibi dia ma. But I think enra Omomaye, a very spirited performance in a long run. And if you look at these players, they've also made their history. Patrick, Lazzari, Hisard, Luis Alberto, Vercino, Kamada, Filippo Anderson, Ciro Immobile, and Zakagni. It was steady 2020-21 season now. Players are akawo team no. Ubetima Hemudi, no Luis Alberto, no Hemudi, no Ciro Immobile, then no Hemudi, no Patrick Ewaha. So these three players give them the needed experience to make sure. So what happened in 2020-2021 season, Lazio betime push forward, and Mauricio Sarri have led these particular lieutenants so well at medium qualify. Yabebo Omabaso ho. Then AC Milan betime fear lose to Dortmund by 3-1. Quite surprising. The last time I who say Dortmund ekwakoshe AC Milan, our Stadio di San Siro was in 2002-2003. Omukosho by 1-0. It was also in the group stage. But they will say AC Milan to be per kwan bisu PA free group nimu de koy. But this is an AC Milan side. Our mobile Champions League. Enye easy so be free in the group stage. Omo ko share chire buy last season no. You will say AC Milan eboko PA mood of the semi-final of the UEFA Champions League. Now, okay, tamani or primary school no book be an kind Charles Dickens book be A Tale of Two Cities. So Kaisa book no. Now, that was when the French Revolution moving from that particular monarchy kind of stage to a more or a new modern way of managing their country. Now, a very tale of two cities in this particular context because AC Milan is still remaining in the past where Inter Milan are moving to a revolutionary way. Our mono winning games and making sure so many room or Champions League now consistent at least in the knockout stage every single year. So now the modern Inter Milan and the olden AC Milan, but the olden AC Milan is not about results, but it's about their mentality and their mindset, which is still hunting them. Say, you 2 years say that's a big club, but players ekutayeno and you want to man omoye. So Dortmund as a Roma Kwakoshomo by 3-1. What's next for Stefano Pioli? But Bishop moved to Nandebi Amuka say because football is a game of like smaller margins. Olivier Giroud in the penalty as early as the 6th minute, and Oshesa go now. Believe you me. Because psychologically, Dortmund, I don't see how Dortmund would have even come back in the game because Milan by misses that particular penalty and within the 10th minute, Namakuro is when a penalty converting it. And this becomes a huge issue because Olivier Giroud is the most experienced player within the setup assistants. and or a leader of this particular generation of AC Milan team. Zlatan Bayern there, or making sure so the Omedi de Syria. Giroud so Bayern there, or the Omako the Champions League semi-final. But he needed to step up at this particular time to help AC Milan. Went to me and PJ, and it is of the smaller margins within a game, and psychologically how things can turn within a minute. And that is what happened to AC Milan. Or meant to me and found qualify and found common Momulusu by 3-1. Most of these players within the setup, no. Say your motor tones and I would say in terms of a DD will be there, but when it comes to quality wise, they were missing players like Rafael Leao in this setup. And now I catch up with the say open play chances. The most created in the UEFA Champions League, Rafael Leao. Then number 2 were completing a lot of dribbles, averaging not less than 1.5 dribbles per game. So if you had him playing against Nicolas Sula, you could have counted on it, say at least we wait my day. See, but unfortunately, no man to me and Koye.
But also, this is not injury. See how Mopao.
Yes, AC Milan.
Because no Malik Chow crowd. It says so far season where Omania 25 injuries.
Yes, and it's a huge problem for, and even their midfield, they are failing to get constant double pivot for themselves. Some bit me their back home him. No more planning na years and season. The Kabi Biakoya Kaisimo Banasa and Loftus Cheek as a double pivot. Now Banasa is out. So Adilimba Beshim, Tijani Rangers was Babeshim. Games we on my love stick on to me more no plan so the conchain. Then you have Chukwueze and Rafael Leao so now come 2 years or Komusu bit master games and then Pulisic playing in the role of Brahim Diaz as the number 10 by still intimi and Fasa and Famomo. And AC Milan Bishop just they've always tried on the typical old fashioned number 10 from Rui Costa to Kaka coming in Crampo Babi Pio Mokofa. This guy from Belgium did be with Salmekes not Salmekes, the other guy or Maton the Manico. I'm going to be PM as the number 10 of free Club Brugge. And then the Bono Crown Fat, then Brahim Diaz, every make the position his own. After Brahim Diaz and one game Naba, so I'm about the number 10 in the Amomo. And Brahim Diaz and the Quaco PM Real Madrid is not even playing. He's not even playing. So it hurts a lot, say AC Milan, and suffer these kind of things. And then Manchester United, the Quaco PM or hell.
Are they?
Oh, yes.
Argentina what 10 minutes are
Galatasaray for home no unya wura man African on mu pie na bo se bana kakraka ne bo hono ne atwe welcome to hell dede waso nyina beti waso
Sano ma bi say the pedigree of United they betimi ask e wo mo
is it even tough teams go there and they crumble even tough teams go there and they crumble and hono support
United nya top team anymore na
United is a top team
listen also even
top team
United is a top team now.
They are top team.
Martin.
United a top team. But what the environment that they create? And one of supporters in the ball, 60% of the game they might players. One way crana will play a general channel or from class a pass crowd until we have a bonache. We bet me a team. After you froze, obi through a chibo, on to any other one near the call. And this is going to be a test of character for Manchester United at this stage of the season. They've had test of characters when it comes to the league. Test of characters near say on one starting season ni results in Koye, but they've maneuvered their way to get consistent results being in the league. But in the Champions League, Manchester United's biggest weakness has always been so take lead na be over 10 and show mo.
Okay.
Omo to take an aben because against Bayern Munich they had opportunity to also draw the game or even win. Now 4-3. Now against Galatasaray, they take the lead. Galatasaray babeti their show. Now Copenhagen home washano. But away, they take 2-goal lead against Copenhagen. Actually, Kromusa be take lead man be 3 to Copenhagen over 10 and no about Beshano. So Manchester United in this particular competition have always been about Yebeshe by your team winning games, and it's becoming a huge issue. Now, another man for putting in context, I say Hoyland goes near a bad luck their club. No? Because anytime he scores, Manchester United cannot win game in the Champions League. That is a fact.
Sir.
That is a fact.
Rasmus Hoyland ne shegwa.
Bayern Munich ko shego me boa. Man United win.
Derby.
Against Galatasaray o shego Man United win.
Derby.
Against Copenhagen home nya no ne shego Man United win na no man win.
Omo fine.
Copenhagen away o ko shego mienu. Manchester United win and no lose.
Amfa.
That is it. So it is factually the UEFA Champions League. Despite say, Oya joint top scorer in the Champions League, you know, the goals not have proven to be a bad luck. I'm not saying he say a because what was about assistance. It is factual. So Shegoa, Manchester United in team winning games.
Okay. And
going to such a tough ground, you expect
now so 5 goals.
Yes, you would expect Manchester United will carry alongside a tough. Omo may say Davison Sanchez, but I don't think he's going to hurt them a lot because Davison Sanchez was their weakest link at Old Trafford. On weakest link at Old Trafford. Galatasaray for no.
Former Tottenham Hotspur.
But Musiala, Ehan, Nelson, Boy, Angelino, Demebi, Torreira, Ziyech, Mertens, Zaha, Icardi. And then one battle I made passion. Yes, one battle I made passion. Nepa Luta, Rifed Zaha, and Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Because the first leg at Old Trafford, Diego Dalot and Bo as the right back.
Okay.
And Nipano na ni I heard game ni BB and 2 years and Diego Dalot on the day. Says I had the name Kwan Kakra.
Okay.
Or yen pa. So if you have Aaron Wan-Bissaka and look so over the other hand side facing Ziyech and Boye. Boye has been one of their best players this particular season as the right back. Rasta guy Bisano now not so forward no bar. Pressure Manchester United Campo will have to sign him. And most teams are looking for a second Musa Krabit. But you look at how a City Tiana. The test comes in with Wan-Bissaka Luxor facing Boye and Ziyech. Then Zaha and the other hand side of the left back Angelino. Then over in Finfino. How you can keep Dries Mertens quiet and more quiet. Man United will be counting on 18-year-old Kobe Menu to control the game.
Sir.
Which personally, no. Oh, Galatasaray Akobo. The Nyoma tension, what they will create, is also going to be another test of character apart from Man United team for Kobe Menu. Say, Obetima Handelana. But trust you me, Yara Hawa Maguire, McTominay, Bruno Fernandes, Garnacho, Hoyland, all of these at a very tough stadium. We've seen teams where when we say Barcelona Kohonum some time ago with the Pedri Mokoye. If this case made something for Manchester United against Everton, this is a tougher test for them to do something. And Manchester United will be reliant on what happens between Bayern Munich and the at home for Bayern Munich. What Manchester United or Galatasaray can be happy about. They say Bayern Munich, they say Obulusu Champions League, you know. 3 to 4 years.
April 2021.
It's very difficult.
PSG 3-2 no.
It's very difficult. So surely Bayern Munich will have to win it and build their confidence, and they want to finish the group stage with 100%. That is why it's going to help Galatasaray. But this is a game for safe reasons. Go for both teams to score and over 1.5. Both teams to score and over 1.5. I don't see how Manchester United can maneuver their way to win this game in this tough environment unless they break down. Because I didn't ding.
Mate, Medasia Kumia, I had money in Adama Kano Creum, and so that despite so we die hard Manchester United fan. And so no crano pimping, yes, ni paying Royal Form Ghana Limited for saying controls. Dana Daye. Say what dana ye romuno so one na ya one trabe da so no asan fa yade enuntunya mattress papa so da mattress papa no eno an Royal Foam mattress so ya carpenter ni na person crofo judi se a won sa no dwuma efe na enya fe keke esa ye papa no unya Royal Foam mattress de ye nkonwa ene adwuma bi ebeboa hotel for mon kwaje Royal Foam mattress na mon fa nkototo mo bed no so enkrofo ba na mo clients ne be da so meka ha de me kwa me dada yie manko ankoda ankofa yade ni nyina no say omo branches ne doson open omo main shop wa do ani kiremu e ya sokore mampon e okumase empatamu ya udru baby on ben ACCC hona ben wo mo na omo wo sales outlet bebre odo friend number me de betu dwen say open Royal Foam Ghana Limited omo mattress ni bia omo abetro so mo de bro mpom mo de bebra me bia kama number is 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 from the bianye kama na 21st clinic the expert in sciatica almost ene de 21st clinic in sciatica ya de no kwa yentibim omayira evise omobaye no sciatica de bia no akọ 21st clinic asia abada uduru environment kwa na sciatica na tete no odwane se doctors ne nurses na ben omo de akrokro ene be krokro no omo de tu yade na so omo de bibiduro ene sa yade omo se bra na omo ntu yade asema onye sciatica nko yade bia no omo be sa de omo scanning machines outdoor ena omo lab technicians some de moja no ebewura lab no ma dom sukwa bebe yade no akwakura ntom se bra omo more than 15 branches e Ghana Kumase omo ehwan overseas junction on be Alpha Radio ena piem oboase omo cancer quarters court junction wa enkran dome market on about 21st clinic na no chisunwa na bi won kranza touchman ena miamia bebre wo de ne se obefre wo mo na omo call center no be peke no no di nkomo na yade kro no ho ne bia wo yade a yesan from bisa se opanyini maame na aba beja yaresa no so far be 2 days no say ne sitie no mabusa wo so mo ye follow up na so mo ba ufie mpo na on pepenu 21st clinic from 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 from na benye kama papa poku atena se papa good morning.
Good morning chief
boko de
oh nyame adom
ye de nyame ase yanko enim
da se pi ni akwanya de amame anopɛ ma me ncha yɛ for ene ahwefo nyina ya ba ne se no so de ne ya ba na bibia tima kama anopɛ no na me nyime kon no mfiri na let me stick it out to everybody and kankan ene ya ahwefo ne adofo a on ehwen ewo asawase ene ni important nyina especially asawase constituency no
kuma se ya
ai
okay ade
mi wonua oye yonko oye nua menim no for 22 years.
Oh, okay.
I have a friend Manaf Ibrahim.
Manaf
minim no fibra minim diagro menkura brim.
Okay.
Me woni panum bi wo wiase a o kasa me mfa me konto ho ma me de beto ama ba ko ene Manaf ene Alhaji Manaf Ibrahim say o pepa so obegina as parliamentary candidate for NPP. He is a man of sound character. No donipa.
Okay.
Nti se we delegate to Aswanse. So obu hu nipa bi delegate. Ka chen say dey asema tumanim. Onto abanma Manaf Saturday.
Okay.
He's your surest best.
This coming Saturday.
Na me adma me there.
Okay.
Manaf Ibrahim.
Already we come di for kra. We din kunim na wi.
Ewiase we no. Se Sophia ba. Na Sophia papa Sophia no fa ne nioma na oye kwan no no atwa wa ha no atwa wa ha na anka odan
wo se na ne gine
Sophia no di onim adwuma
di onim papa
so tiase the problem with officiating in European football is hypocrisy and na course between PSG and Newcastle nya atwomye ene de aduru sabre no
ade
okoto saboa ne tu nua so a ka che ne se so ye so
nka se
sorry ne so no sorry ne so a oba so yen kwa Lanchera ho na no ye ko hu Arsenal ni Newcastle Joelinton ene Gabriel Magalhaes omo we bi a no omo ye no Lanchera ansem o trofa ho no it was despicable no obo referee na ba so what I say. This is Lanchera. Well done, ref. You are the man. November 4th, yeah. November, I'm quite you. Do me an F favor, man. What a load of shit. I didn't know what say. You my referees any amount for all because of rivalry. Why? Eto wono e na o ka che ne se look so yes wa come out
o se che ka che ne se wa anye ne yi
simple omo de mrana shom UEFA mrana se sen mo ma handball decision na mo ma footage no mrana se man ko school ni bi na so me comedy anza na waba abeba na me so ya fa ho ba bi
JK manu
ai se ne be na no ntimi megina me konso no handball offense should be called on a player if the ball is previously deflected from his own body.
But I read a moment here.
In general, and then I'm no number some chasing. Ya bobo ye be ball a bobby and Sunday cobon in sa. Yes, see, I penalty. We any brofia ye can mira. Sana idea, Juma.
You come out say team share with me grab of
omo e come on man come back as am fufro nyatwom brigade no. You know what? No handball offense should be called on a player if the ball is previously deflected from his own body.
Okay.
Boy, it deflected from his own body. Who say the friend midriff nim film hon e bowman san na ekobon nsa no. Simon Marciniak, Polish referee no, he had the option of VAR. Tima hwesa nyoma we nyina wo say penalty is saying the enablers omo a sa nyoma we si a omo me yentwe ne yenka say call a speed omo mpene na de bia omo de nneoma ne nkotokra ne nneoma ne na mu no omo so ka ho bi Callum Wilson was Newcastle omo ne Tottenham ball match we had a similar penalty called yenko tie Callum Wilson now Manchester United US so many real side that last season Embrana so say no handball offense should be called on a player if the ball is previously deflected from his own body. Martinez born upon the body and San Ekobonensa. What do you think of the Callum Wilson?
It stands at the moment because obviously it gave you the opportunity to get the penalty and get the goal, and in the end a point, so it worked for you today. But overall, what do you think of it?
It's absolutely marvellous. For me, it's got me on the score sheet today. Long may it continue. To be honest, obviously when he goes for you, it's nice, but when he goes against you, obviously it's frustrating. Yeah.
What do you think of the...
Exactly. When he goes for you, it is nice. Just like PSG last night. But when it goes against you, it's frustrating. And in fact, we are Newcastle. You've been robbed of what could have been a special European victory
for you.
Fans here kobu omo biaba and your mo didn't know come match na say to enjoy the moment. I mean, let's be blunt. How do you call a penalty on this? Obiabu afu. But kanokro say PSG neba Newcastle. And a Newcastle nya sa lead decision we and omo de take ana akobia no pen komo bro form the befa.
Oh yeah.
Let's give the referee the benefit of the doubt. Yes, nothing is perfect. Decisions like this, some will go for you, some nothing is going for anybody. Nothing is going against anybody. You go to Nick Pope. Na yenti omusun. Nick Pope enso tia yenti de oka.
That obviously hits his body first and then kind of his elbow, really close proximity. I just don't see how that's a penalty. I played football a long time, watched a lot of games. I think if that's a penalty we're giving nowadays, I think it's bad for the game of football.
Yeah, I mean, do you even know what the rules are with those deflection up onto the arms like that, or do you just have to go with it?
I mean, I'm sure the guidelines are if it hits your body and then your arm, it's obviously not a penalty really. Yeah. But obviously, I'm sure them guidelines will be being checked tonight. In my opinion, obviously not a penalty.
Now, if the players themselves are confused by the law, then we have a problem. So Mwankasa no emrano eyo muhwani a ene ne yo how
ade
look emrano omo a yedidi omo no
awasanka omo ya well versed
exactly mirror omo to omo temrana se ne dwumedi a yedidi ene se ne esi ye ne nyoma. But how come? Why are we facing these challenges at this point in time? Why? A home pony neha
how more accoutrements
a home pony naha Bebrena said oko St. Martin's Park el Daboasi now ko ji penalty with ya asamanfu ye bom modern say ye be kyerem we edwuma ye di ofia empanyufo akukuru a omoba na no refugee came and didn't am it so na sorry division too much menene na ko hwe nene me first complain okay match no nyo no nkwa na hwe GK men to say na Ghana nyina referees manager enso so tenenchen no mu ye adwuma no. Now look at what happened yesterday. What the chef for any film swing a hard look adru bra e betumi a akomeyempe watershed moment on na yenka say enough of this ekotia wa no abetina o na munya referees no abotre omusu ye nipa ekoma wa na wabekasa abrofo no ekotia wo dia na referees no edi ha wa nche bia omoni asna no so tene brofo. Look, everybody should be bold.
Yeah.
Football no edi omo yawo Ateta yeko bisa no post Liverpool Tottenham tinsema no keka oko Newcastle e wo no the club won't throw official complaint. All of them should come together one and tell the referees mumbitima ma yadwuma kura boy. Do you know what Newcastle can lose? Big money.
Oh yes.
Who qualify ko ni biya Mosca?
Because Barcelona shall say Busi say and run adwunu nkwa so money at 12.4 million euros. For winning inquiry 2 something million
and then the qualification
advancing to the next stage.
Come on.
And also 9.6 million.
Come on. They have FFP problems too. So na mo yes ya boy no se Newcastle and qualifier nse be ya pa they stopping Newcastle from qualifying could be this controversial decision.
Oh yeah, because I can no 3 points now.
Imagine Bro, this you know kwesi apia or try the question antachi here Ghana no. And then Amadri Akoso. I've been to Sudan a couple of times. Omope Al-Hilal, Al-Merek, SN on national team. The players and the officials. Say player arena or a 50-50. That's a Sudan national team no ever match. Now Crocodile or more match. Now the club Hilal and I say Merek ever match. I bet you know free mark Obama club side no. Until Omasha sia Omo Koko Omo Hono. Omo de Omasem na to Omo say look. You have over domesticated your football. Mon for money from national team no so kakra.
Okay.
And I'm happy with this step. Omo ba Tanzania.
Oh yeah.
On the club football match. And the league be anyhow.
Friday.
This is the unique opportunity for them to see some of the good players in the country. But we in our media Simira Akoya the phone.
Akoya the phone, Papa. Medasian fancy and repebesi aba. Higher Sompa 93.1. Jeffrey Asari the apostle ni breni. Na ono so de be rewrem na mum so mpa chede no mfa wo de ma ya na do de abantem na bibia ye kama menya da ja chirichiri mu de ama o apostle atena say Jeffrey, good morning.
Ozi, okay.
Bibia boko
na mene me ba edin komo e chiro are wo
one day muso was stress na sa akoya ma no ankoya no teta down said in sika yira
minim ne sa
okay
minim ne ho so bia nani minim ne sa ono de bia nani ji o bi oni bi nani ji ntu is even difficult to even predict whether o bia no ni bi okay minim mischief or person player no pay
apostle bache enko ene
now a charity for that for the pay Simba akofa Abdel Bench Kita or Nigerian top coach. Now Simba Pam or Franco Togo. Simba Pam Robertino Oliveira. Before I'm the interview, Robertino Oliveira head coach or qualified Vipers of Uganda, Edinburgh Champions League. And to Simba, a man offer of $40,000. No G 15,000 or Vipers. So quickly $40,000 a month we were forced to come to Simba. And I'll be taking Simba Jumano. Now at the end you do baby Edri. Simba Phyllis said baby Omedri someone compete with the best. And you're the best results. So because of that, Simba LUZ by 5-1 to Yanga, 5th November. Idea haram. As I asked Nikotokona Bakwache Bako 5 for home. That is a haram. And we are one. Secondly, this season, Omodimbon Ewafem, Tusha, Bonse in the Tanzanian League, a Yanga, Bitress rivals, NLED, Azamda second, and almost 18 points, almost 2 outstanding games. Then also the fact that African Football League, you know, almost expectation that they should have beaten Ali to get to the semi-finals. Almost target, you know. Almost 2-2 of 1-1 or Cairo. Almost exit. Almost fear and say, Varas Mami, Champions League Group C last year, the performance of Simba. In that group, Raja Casablanca topic group, and that's the group. Okay. 13 points. Simba, Oroya, Vipers, and the Simba quarter finals. Now, quarter finals, they were not fortunate. They met Wako Morocco. Even that, Simba winning first leg by 2-0. Ekwariko Luzi by 1-0. So, almost Luzi to whack by 4-3 on penalties. So, almost level. This is a team that Asher Ali 3 seasons ago, Luis Mukisine ago, Ewafie. So, to them now, level Omedruno, this results are tenable. These are the reasons why they've asked Oliveira to leave.
Okay.
Now, there comes in Abdelhak Bekshikita. Now, our Algerian top coach. Yeah. Farid. Oh, no. There is Farid. No, assistant. Ena Kamal. a fitness coach. Baby Okubia Onyomuneko. Now this Simba giving them Omu Jesse. Papa we a lot of experience. Our coach is here Bezos dad on 2 occasions. Club Africain, Raja Casablanca, RS Bekane. I'll come to what Dave Bekane, Maghreb Tetuan. So our experience when it comes to let's take an interview.
I'm here for success. We are here for Simba, for all supporter of Simba. All we must to be strong. We must to be performant. We are here for good performance. It's all like this.
Simba support.
Now, or a shrewd tactician. After USM Orges 2015 Eco Champions League final 2 Pusa Mazembe and losing by 4-1, USM no munyade. When he took over USM Orges in less than a year, that's what he's been able to do to them. Now, before that, so Niwe Nebema who said he's a top coach. Before then, last year, so a free honor call Orges. Last year, he was coaching RS Bekane. He owns a Bekane winning Confederation Cup. Orlando Pirates. And Omuni with that Athletic Club of Morocco. So that's him. This is a Super Cup. We're a Super Cup.
Okay.
CAF Super Cup. Because with that, winning champions Liu Kaya. With that, had then beaten Ali, Peter Musumane's Ali, to win the CAF Champions League. So that's RS Bekane. I want no more wine, no more matter, they don't know. And then whack, and white, and red, no. In this game a game that a lot of connoisseurs of the game, I believe, is because of Nyawaka, especially dethroning Almighty Pito, a winning CAF Champions League. No, we Ombeti RS Bekane. Papa, we a mastermind a 2-0 loss to Wak of Morocco. I won the Super Cup. This year, Super Cup near boy, Ali were the champions. USM Orges because almost a younger, and the younger lost out the competition cup. So almost a winners. USM Orges went to the finals and won, and then now qualified to play Super Cup. So almost white and black trumps, and Ali a share red top. To I'm sure one ball shot no. This game was decided by Zinedine Belaidi, the captain. Penalty. Super Cup or Shali. Watch something. Super Cup last year of the Bekane Eshe Wak.
Okay.
Super Cup this year or the USM Orges Eshe Ali.
Simba Jumani.
No, tactically or you're good. Like I said, we share. He came to a team. Zinedine Belaidi was on the verge of saying or call ESATIF. Side Redwan or call MC Orges. He convinced them to stay. They were even struggling in the Nigerian League or convinced them to stay. Then he made sure that Okofa, Haitam Fusif, FMC Orges Bekan team brought Brahim Bezaza above midfield. And then bought a brand here, Ayman Mahus, Umun Wachan. That's all he needed. Because already our Tumesang Orebonye, Botswana, attacking midfielder and a second striker, no, he had him in the team already. And Osama Bembut, goalkeeper, no, very good. Also Bachan. So Kakra de Bekao. And don't forget that youngest team of last season was fierce because of feasting Mayele. I know pyramids, no. And to show you first leg, read the USM Orges Bashir 2-1. Ewo Tanzania no feasting a share that go na Islam Merili ni Ayman Mahus na share and away no and Juma Shabani Yanga ko share 1 goal ewo hono but 2-2 on aggregate, just like Etens Tivni Vita Cloud 2014 3-3 aggregate no, the same thing happened there. And this papa we no say ye fat team ye shisha no team no shana mbuni ye shisha ni fan share there is good, but this is the first time over East Africa
Okay, I don't see another day.
It's the first time he's coming. Most of Nijuman in North Africa. Where a new terrain for him. East Africa, new terrain. Or you're fortunate. You see, or you're Algerian former player, or until the culture of Arabs, I see, and then on him how to get the result out on your more orientation. Pahano, he's coming to a clubber. One, he doesn't know the Afin Oba. Look, Simba has a good goalkeeper in Ayub El Karoub. Oma for a Moroccan goalkeeper.
Okay.
Yes. Ali Salom Momo Fulu say or dropping balls mienu Nancy Onya there. So they brought Ayub El Karoub, the Moroccan goalkeeper. He's not the man for Simba.
Okay.
He has a good team because in Shomari Kapome, the right back is solid both for the national team and then the team. He is back up Ishmael Mwenda, all boy against Asek. He's also very effective going forward, very good defensively. Mohamed Hussein, consistent for the national team, the left back. Now, Henok Bayer, the DRC, tough, rugged. Shez Maloney, Cameroonian centre back, no. Or Boas, a DM can play a centre back, aggressive, intelligent. Kennedy Juma, brilliant, national team and way. In why they were Dennis Kiba, he's their top Dennis Kiba, brilliant winger and the second striker on the left side. Intibazon Kiza against a second penalty in the Burundian brilliant winger. He has Furtherly, Wanya Fabrice Ngoma. Fabrice Ngoma, DRC above Vita Club, Akobo Raja Casablanca. So on African terrain, he has a lot of experience. He's intelligent and or a very classic top class heavyweight when it comes to midfield battle. Then, of course, you are talking about the Zambian true, Clastor Shawa, Moses Fury, brilliant players. Malian player aside Kanuti Omni Alinu, he was the one who scored both goals equalizer here and then the one in Cairo as well. So he has a team that is, and don't forget James Bakele, DRC, our quality team. Now from Bebiomwe drew quarter final. Now he need to move them to a semi-final. The expectation about him is very high now. His first assignment against Joanne Galaxy. The giant killers share work away this week. This Lions then. First assignment is against giant killers. I saw prove your point there. The first result is going to get Botswana this weekend. So we welcome him. He's a good coach. You see, or a top coach. We welcome him, and then let's hope say Niawaya with the clubs I've mentioned, but one thing is very clear. Simba signal that Omu a top club. We are Simba. They are taking decisions that replicate a club or a top club or club officer. We do Pempesubia. So your man in near HS or your top club.
Okay.
That is why they've gone for him. He's going for $60,000 a month salary. So it's very interesting time. Let's see how Simba fares weekend. I mean, time as one.
Because it's not come be work for last 3 games in all competitions. So more losing no. Yes, after Walid Greg free or resource no and said that.
But they want a champion. I disagree with that. Listen, they against Sundowns.
Beyonce free will be out and a ringing. It's a bad power for a trauma do more. A 12 years and the answer. Hello, Beyonce free will be out. Imperial create. Why don't have a friend and meet me to win a chair and a ringing. No beer. Say, Moko sign bed power deal in the account. And I'm on this kind of class. Yeah, 12 years can say, yeah, need him say bed power deal. It can you can have before Moko Tomaba. Now, you're 12 now, you can bed power, no, and I feel like I was the encounter. And they GPLS class.
Yeah, Campo because me can say Bema Bia and teams no more cockroaches card. Bema Bia.
Oh, I can't remember you used that.
And Nimguasia Sem they went and took a disgraceful money.
But I say, Mammy Konami couldn't come Kakra, Emra, Currency Ventures from couldn't come higher Sompa 93.1 FM soon live on Sompa TV. Opinion, good morning.
Morning.
Boko die
Boko pa na so
nyame adom ye se die amansan nyina mama mo Zahara heba mesiai adwuma eye ni nru ahodo a mo de bahai amanfo nyina ajatum na dan dampanyimfo se aboso ba ne maja paye ne die na wo de man na wo de fa he
medase ewo akonya wo de amamen na me de enchia pese su free yaso ye emagana fo nyina na ye nupa ye de badwa so a ho adanse ye eno ho wondesa eye ana ye de besom anopai na ene yebedi kan with ye dry ye friend no Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules say dry eye dro waso a ebo odophobia boosting immune system odophobia wo ho a weak immune system ono nko a de bia no waye no fo no fe no waye mmere say steps and off ana say activity kakra bi a obia ya one so no ubon se ono nko a oya na otwefa no bo na obre odofo bi so wo ho a ubon se ono nko a weda sese kakra bi a no wanya cold no wanya kata edura numra ubon se oda ubon se ne huni nyina sisi na obre na osa ebo one ketenkete odofo bi so wo ho a ono nko a ubon se onya infection edura obia no ma ne ho tono no ubon se ono nko infection no ekọ na ba odofo o tesa me kanfo Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules ana dia mawo odofo pesa droi na nom na fa boost immune system no eno na be mo ahoden na be ma bi so wo ho a wanya innam yare bi tise gonorrhea ama ne be ma no ehi ama ne be ma no efon ubon se onama na o ti ne be ma no ho na ensansan so abaje ne be ma no ho aboso prekesen ubon se ojonso so a na ne jonso ni mo pai mienu na jonso eka ne intentem ubon se onama na ne be ma mu nyina edwan no ubon se osanama na ensofita efri ne be ma mu eba be ma otesa me kanfo Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules ana dia mawo oba bi so wo a innam yare ama ensansan abagu na himfi ho oba pe Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules akira kwan oba bi so wo a white anasa odepo ene na betena ama na gya tum se eye mayale oba se o hwem wo Sompa TV so a asema America ne se kope Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules enu ni adura onom toatoa so a ebebo ama wa himfie ho no atwayopo a white anasa odepo bi a ejeje wa ha wadwen no aduro no beyi ni nyina ade free ho odofo bi so wo ho a ono nko a obo se wodwale awie no na yese de bibi anenam ne ho no na nipadua no ebo no pe odofo otisa pe Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules na for boost immune system no na infection bia na ha wadwen no every ho oba bi so wo ho a onya ne menses a o san ke ba 5 days anasa 7 days no dakro pe na ne menses na twa oba bi so wo ho a menses no emakora onya no bosome miensa oba otisa pe Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules na say droi aye adura esa abo oba bi a na tenka na ewo fom oba bi wo ho a na tenka na ewu oba pe Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules na emwo na emustu watenka no say droi me say no bra bi wom se osa ha wadwene se osa tete wo odofo pe Zahara Mixture ene Zahara G capsules udi ya ne se obeko herbal shop bi ben wo pharmacy shop bi ben wo licensed chemical shop bi ben wo odofo uto aduro na Mixture no cap keto aseso obenom no miensa anopa na de capsules ni mienu aboso aka ho aduro no meso a no wahwie Mixture no cap no miensa na de capsules ni mienu aka ho odofo me purchase se udi ensuo no anabenom topaye no odofo nom toatoa so menum bi ne enkase ne nansa so anabenom aduro no dabi obu ha onum adura onom ne ade che wonnom onom na nopa enumere onom odofo aduro udi nom na anopa enumere na infection bia ha wadwene bia no aduro no bebo asa boost immune system no ama ni nyina afiri ho odofo giafo na mesi ebia na opeye nnoi bia ton anasa nkomo bi wo ho odofo freyen sisi a ne beje so 0246 34 83 34 0246 34 83 34 0248 56 93 35 0248 56 93 35 other for frey nsisi a ne ani nkomo upeye ndo bia ton so a frey the same number ne ani nkomo other for yadru ye frɛ no hindi haba Mixture na say adru yadru also the phobia unya bi aya na imprem bebre no odofo bi wo ha malaria fever ha na dwene etiri mo wa no ama ɔsɔre no pampo a ɔsɛ okodi pa anaasɛ ɔkɔ na dwuma so akɔyɛ dwuma pesika obon sɛ na aposo nyina awehwe no na nonum nyina to na nipadua no ayɛ mere kyɛ sɛ nipadua no nyina ahodwo sɛ ɔsɔre akɔyɛ na dwuma no ahoɔden no ani hɔ ɔdafo pehindi haba mixture ɛno ne adura ɛbɛboa onom no kapa no miɛnsa anopa miɛnsa awia miɛnsa anumra ɛbɛboa a wonum na ayɛ nyonyono na wodi aduane a ɛntimi nkɔ no hindi haba mixture ɛne adura ɛbɛboa na ɔdɔfo bi so wɔ hɔ a typhoid fever ɛne na betena typhoid fever ɛma ne nya honka typhoid nti ɔbɛda wo sɛ edura numra edura no pa na ɛdɛɛdɛ no ayɛ sɛ yaleɛ no kɔ edura numra wo sɛ nipadua no ayɛ hyehyehye ɔda ɛna na ayɛ sɛ deɛ ne ho anya ne yie no ɔdɔfo wote saa hindi haba mixture na ɔdɔfo bi so wɔ hɔ a high blood pressure diabetes hana dwene diabetes ama me say edura numre no ɔda ontimi nna because jonso ana ɔjonso diabetes ama na sotia na ɛteɛ diabetes ama ekuro beto no humpa na adano na mane ɔdɔfo hindi haba mixture na faka wadro bia onum bia no na fa manage o diabetes no ɔdɔfo bi so wɔ hɔ a imprem bebre no adwuma ɔyɛ no ɔyɛ adwuma den anaso ɔyɛ adwuma ogyina wiam kyɛ ɔdɔfo hindi haba mixture na fa yɛ wadro kɔ herbal shop sisi a pharmacy shop sisi a licensed chemical shop bi a ɛbɛn wo se open hindi haba mixture ɔdɔfo yɛbɛkɔ yɛ mɛmɛduro no so a yɛfrɛ no Zahara man capsules sɛ aduro abɛsɛ ɛbɛboa bɛrima bi a yɛto ne din ontra one Zahara man ɛyɛ natural herbs ɛnyɛ mɛmɛduro no a nneɛma frɛfrɛ ne bia ɛyɛ nubra ane yɛbubu ane yɛakafra ane ɛde ayɛ Zahara man capsules sɛ bɛrima bi wɔ hɔ a wɔbɔ adabridwo ɔde bɔ ani ane ato ne din wɔ ameniti bɛrima yɛtwetwe na bɛrima Zahara man capsules ɛne wagye nkwa aduro na basa ɛbɛboa wo di ya ne sɛ wobɛkɔ herbal shop pharmacy shop licensed chemical shop bi a ɛbɛn wo ne wonya Zahara man capsules bɛrima bi so wɔ hɔ a ɔwɔ weak erection kyɛ sɛ ne bɛrima no ɛntimi mpo ɛnsɔre ɛnyina so mpo na apoponiti bɛrima wote saa mekanfo Zahara man capsules ɛna de ama wo bɛrima bi so wɔ hɔ a ne nkɔmmoa no ɛwɔ fam bɛrima pɛ Zahara man capsules bɛrima bi so wɔ hɔ a sisi yale agyina bɔ so sisi yale entimi ema ni nya adwuma a wo se ɛyɛ bɛma wo de fa Zahara man capsules na obehu mfasode a wo start sɛ onnom Zahara man capsules anopa mienu enumra mienu a mfasode bebra Zahara man capsules ɛde bebra wo ɔdɔfo sagiefo na masi ebia na upeye no ebia ton ana sɛ ɔdɔfo nkomo bi wɔ hɔ fe yɛn sisi a ne bɛgye wo so 0246 34 83 34 0246 34 83 34 0248 56 93 35 0248 56 93 35 adafo aya men twɛn anyare na aya na mpanyifo ka asɛm sɛ bambɔ atrema ɛyɛ twɛn ayaresa bɔkitema na men twɛn anyare ansa na wapɛ currency enupa ye frɛ no Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules ebo boost immune system no asa to infection bi ase bi te sɛ gonorrhea ene ye dura ye frɛ no Zahara man capsules ebo be ma bi a ma twetwe na ye frɛ no 1 minute be ma ene ye dura ye frɛ no hindi herbal mixture ebo odophobia malaria fever typhoid fever high blood pressure any diabetes etete no ye nupai ya to apete Ghana herbal shop bia pharmacy shop bia licensed chemical shop bia ebɛn ɔdɔfo na toye no bi na anu maduro na obɛya danse na wakasɛ characteristic aduro no ɛyɛ medase
yaso yada se yɛkɔya yɛkɔte enupa onsɛm evise mpanyimfo sa asopo wenkyere asempatie ɛna ahwenepa wo so enkasa ne mom aduro we die no kra ne nyame ne yɛnyina ya soso bi ahwene hu sampa ɛyɛ dupa ma onsanka bi na enkyene de first draw eba aba be hyehye so ne bi twi draw na ma Sompa sika promotion yɛgye dwa ene yebeche 500 Ghana cedis imprenu so na me dime ho me ba ya ne said the first draw ntunya ento dia sesi apiama me eye star 256 star 3 hash star *256*3 and one say 5 series do to na woto no numbers ne doors no na opportunity se draw no una betuma diama sika no aye jangwengwen e wo phone so na bibia so aye kama ye da ye ho ye ba ye de aka nyina beto aso dem ha ye Sompa 93.1 FM suni.
Sompa achedie yaba Sompa achedie 2023 Bible say nyame Sompa pani say obi ko wunyanka ene erisia mobo enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enisia ene ekrafo edidi na yanko ayetini agise wo beboa yen enti say yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598559802 meeting ubim 0598559802 edi also yeta 1 media brana bosome ni le to so aduonu ba ko ni beboja trada na de mo de dum ye no ye de ama ekuna na me say and they say Sompa fadi amuye onye nkuku kushi muswapo if you say je amuye ya je say bi sija so the person dey flatfo enyanka enibonsi omo wili bie so the class say omo wili bie you be be fe and so mo dey afema mana so everybody won shira mo Bible see you who perform everybody go be shira so mo ku perform everybody shira mo no kese papa mtobe mo kese pa amen na yesika na yetuma so a wobetimi de aba afenso se niema bi ense ye ti se mo ene yanwa so a yebeje mo a mo ye bi afie twem no emu adanse de die mo amunim Sompa achede 2023 abusuafo yafa ye hunhyem na propose prepa obodu ponko mu ye nyankopon obeyiye wiye Sompa achede 2023 ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi.
Hey, Sewa, me watchu. Me nanu me bisa kwa so kwa bruchu.
Kwaku, afraid I'm in the call. Then cut our cranny.
Hey, and you make connection man for den go for secret when you tell the musan.
Oh, Express Group had downmenti. I can't wire for. Open so to Kwan Kosiandia. Express Group do be call mind to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, any Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Swa. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, any Germany. More person to Kwan Koye Jumansu, obets me the Wako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi, Asafule by roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more how much show for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. You Ashford.
Nah, you deny Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Who that the evidence by? I don't Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want the different types. Share Abena Deya Mokumu, Ashford Princess, and our brother could do so Ashford Galaxy. Would you know Iran so Ashford Evident? Media so Ashford Executive, and now Media so Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me ba do domi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ni Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. It's 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need. Blakojo, what badia? There's some muna minari wadam foy. Not mean to me no. At first it's not coming home.
afa de wo de wo dware wo kunu ene nti wa better sa no wo kan to sɛ ka mepɛ ɔbɔfo herbal mixer ebre no
ɔbɔfo herbal mixer ene hi bintem nso krasa ye no bi mu ago
kwaku na ti sɛn enko ye bro je me hwedie mu aye me pa no wo hu eme bi problem na wo ka ho asɛm no enu bi pepepe ana me kyerɛ sɛ me die no menum ɔbɔfo herbal mixer ena me tisi kinken sisi me sia na me ti ahwe me wife kra no so mu kakra eto da no so ne di aba amankwada no ere ahobasa enti ɔbɔfo herbal mixer no de ye be hia ne ntampa oh munye binu mu abebo am pa with the turmeric garlic gotu cola and a ginkgo biloba turmeric garlic wo mu ani ebe papa enubra wo mu nti amwodiri wo mu akasa aduro yi enye ma apemfo abatan wo ma manufo ne nkwada wo nyemfe dumienu dodo a last chance herbal and healing center pram 52 pharmacy Kaswa Obom road and a pharmacy in herbal shops one contact here 0574 353 707 and a 0531 541 755 or Bofo herbal mixer
FDA aji ejedi nkra to yatum.
We are back bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their phone too, with free play Friday and swipe bet.
I'm not food now.
In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have smart picks and the partial daily jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Right, yeah, Sam wakwa about Sompa TV. Sansuna Sompa 93.1 FM. Full time and your team konya so ya show boss said they done da. Ukwere bia ye di adwuma di atuni din GPL Extra Eddie Brown ne retired refugee manu ewofia ha eba Ghana any wiase emra ye de govern ye football na wo munimdie ye pa wado peperepe any ye football ni nimdie wo no ode ba no wabebo adwumadi na ye kama enne ye de bebro na wotwe wie ye football etodwo man Ghana mu an even amanone de hu behia debate awdo ekoso a obewuram na wa settle ade amaye no na ode awuram ni ahwe ne yesu ade na bibia aye kama ha Sompa menu kasa video emfra na mom channel so ese the last year Sompa ye ba ye nche ya ye achade ade ma akunafo ene oni biefo no afi ye se kɔ no saa eno ne yato ne din sa Sompa achade na Sompa achade no ye bia kwanya no to ese akunafo a oni bie ene das wasa no omra na ome register me twon din sa be ya afi no ano ba na wie ya Sompa ye ne yahwefo ne yadofo betimi acha omade amom su bronya no omso ani atimi agye eno nam so ma registration course na mom Sompa said ye ho boaboa no nipa dom na ebe na edoso ye register mani sie na enu ntina yato edema adofo ne ahwefo ne obia esema ye moa de wo don sembia no de ma de obetimi edi aba na afe no so a yeso edi ache na edi amomamom so se de abehye kunafo na afunu no fa beboa enu ntade bia de beba no se sika fam se eye emo ade de ba ensei se ye mo etin tomatoes sardine milo biscuit eye anwa even by ade bia fi so de beba ye ntade books any bag wo de ba ye bede wase entie tonsa e de afro bibia se so betimi do adoye ene waye ye de e de aba be kan ye ho se de be ya ono a wo ba ene atwero din no ama ya ho boaboa no aso na ye ntima ntwom din ye be tonsa afrom se de be mo so ye be o ma doye ama aso bia so ntu betimi afre na ya ba wa ba be joba Sompa so betimi do achede na ba ye dwuma mu ha ye be ja da so ye sika so a number me de betu dwa wo fra kakra bia wo benya no wo de to so ye ni ebe so pa number ne 0598 558 802 0558 559 802 0598 559 802 o send this sika dia beba no etera one media anase blessed foster edia beba ntebe se obi amwala bibia enye kama emfa emaye saso ene ye ka tro se express group enforce en kan tro so person ko adwuma wa bruchiri anakosua dia wa bruchiri afa ho kobo mo de enim na wiane enso kan enhwene nim anadwo ono no obi adwo matum ene express group for omo se ye mu amanya visa se holidays ena person ko na bruchiri obi bi wa no person be fa de ko to ena mo ye adwuma kuo mo ye school for mo pese mo ko one kasa kwa individually oba so koto wa brochira express group for na ebo ado akọ enu nti bra na admission na pese onya no school bi mu amanone no omonye emfama scholarship omo bo amansa Canada akosua de wa amanone no mo se omo pabo di akeka na enam so mo good track record nti no omo branches bebre organ ha odu ani kire mu a se exams na wo twa no mo tutors on be bo guide o ama amanone exams wo tima tra pass ne kama se GMAT TOEFL GRESAT dem ni nyina omo boa wo de fo ni kire mu omo branch bi e ben wo se yekuma se asafo labor runabout Accra Keneshi first line Tema community 18 Lashibi Goya filling station omo ben Lashibi funeral home ena East Legon eno so ani kire ewo baby omo ben Trinity theological seminar obe hu omo Takrade market circle omo ne hot Ernesto fast food ene die nhwe opemo sunwane a Silver House building omo ben high court ena opemo Tamale omo ben Tamale teaching hospital ena baby ani so omo ben court no from 0249 000448 and 0555 550 067 0508 111 343 and 0552 82 7787 and your number sabituma from Betway Golden Code promo no nyame pa fight do mo de beba na mom say football ne Champions League dina diska owura bia mani tua no say so na ma wadin dani wadisika ama say o kasa kra wonhwa no so nim say obesre dama free no ni nyina Betway obviously Golden Code promo no fa ho shempi omo ankasa select also in their bro okọ omo website wa babia ultimate flipper ko no flipper your code promo no ho na say wa enter don sampa omo selection bi bia gu kama ediama rom na bianye kama football no any sports eni akire kwadi akire nya sika na first kana bianye kama Betway for the love of the game only 18 years and found enyimu bi eno ede te ba usem papa na nya ba eno Ricardo Varas na mo mame ntwe first draw Sompa sika promotion Kevin montwe mame so far amount for me 500 Ghana cedis CI and can 5 million me chene CI babia obia no Jesus fa hujim na se empaibo na enkoso draw no mo piaso no papa Kevin we piaso ene ewuro no we na ewuro number na ehurei number na ehuru we be edna etim form why number na the lucky winner na yahwana 500 cedis one enya going 1 500 cedis going 2 0532 894 the winner the first winner of the day is 0532 894 the last 3 digits no eya ye de te Sompa sika promotion mino ka se jangurem gwen so obi phone so alert na ba munya na momfre na yempe confirmation on kan kire sampa Sompa sika promotion no anopa 500 Ghana cedis aba abegumi phone so mensaka eno winner no na bia ye fine number no na ye bobo e de kire na bia ye ka ma say Ricardo aba na me wo feelers bia me de be my head of the CAF Champions League group games are to drama day 2 na me don sem bebre bro papa na ba Ricardo good morning bibia didam there
oh luta nyame adom bibia fine now
bibia fine okay
ade achi enkwan there
mate
ye dia fe
ye da nyame ase na mom ansana obede GPL extra statistics any ehun incident a wodo obebre no mame emfa ntudwa se me dema na otwi awie nyame pa Friday adaje ni poso Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium omo ebo against team from CR Belouizdad na yentie me dia mafo ade we ye wi a me de Phyllis in April.
I say everywhere we go people want to see me there man.
Football loving people, football is coming home. A great game is coming. I had the CAF Champions League 2023 Ghana champions Mediama Sporting Club and the CR Belouizdad from Algeria. What a game is gonna be at Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Friday December 1 2023 essentially a holiday. We are doing pepe near be getting 4 p.m. na game need them Mediama Sporting Club said the Nimonyamwa about Ghana football when I saw the CAF Champions League no more. A full support from Ghana and the Media Sporting Club Emranwani. We stood here at the Form Kulem. Popular stand, 20 Ghana cities. Center line, 40 Ghana cities. VIP wings, 50 Ghana cities. VIP made, 100 Ghana cities. And a VVIP, a cool 300 Ghana cities. Demo me hono die, ubenya kakraboano. Fefefe, enti fiada, Ghana Fonia Santimania. Yesia wa Babanya Sports Stadium. CAF Champions League Asaba. Mediama, Edia Nimonyam no Epa. Mediama, above all.
I say everywhere we go.
Okay, Mediama, everywhere you go. Obiase Mediama, Obiase Minua. Na yete omachi pampe, it's a Friday. Jebesi besi she. Na alifo diama yeso yedema CR Belouizdad. Friday Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Na omo opponent omo no bo Friday from CR Belouizdad. Good news is say nyame atom omanya attach down. Ewo aha na anopai 7:10 and omo touch it down airport. Kumasi bi bia kama na esem no kasai omo the 50-man contingent and buy na omo the Passion Air and CR Belouizdad at the buy Passion Air and omo the buy 50-man contingent and on buy me no kasai omo da Lancaster ho and omo da omo hwa bia kama na enanwumre 4 p.m. CR Belouizdad ebe training ewo Prempeh College eho ena omu team no ebe training ama bibia so etima kama eno ede fro eba ye de emam team no omo be draw mo prepare sabe ya nyame pa on a Friday game no betima to dwom ne Mediama na yanko Mediama so ye ne nyina sa Mediama ne Rainbow omu game Division 2 club omu game no anope ya enya abaso na anope pem Prempeh College ona Mediama eso ne Rainbow FC boy na game no ba na we na Mediama awini 3-1 Mediama awini 3-1 ahead of game omni CR Belouizdad and be boss on Friday no na upema ene 12 noon them say both Mediama and Dreams FC ebeko akopem manhia na manhia na omo kwakochia Asantmawura yana na otekokoso no omo ede 10 players from each club Dreams FC and Mediama obi ade 10 players and 3 technical team members and obi ade beba na team officials no and executives no eswa kan no makopiem o efikese manhia akwachi Asantmawura se omoba eba be si aka CAF Champions League and CAF Confederation Cup ombesa Asantmawura support and Asantmawura eso de fra Asantmawura ho yana na ho ama bia ye kamantin ensise no sade si etia ye de emam so ewo edwumadi no so eno na mame nko na ye GPL extra no Ricardo Varas ayekado a onfa de wo se yeten de wo se hunu ene de wo se sua no onfa maye
Luta mayema ya hwefo ne ya tifo akwa biem emfa emra Sompa TV na fe Sompa FM emre no du si ya na esenya boase ne aba na GPL extra no etimanya ntoboase ayi nsem ne mako na ne ma hinta no amanfo enso atimi tie said ye no ma no enso esi ko ye bet power Premier League nim se ohwemu a say ne sitie we ye general statistics after match 12 okay match 12 games aya boni ni na no ba se no se aka 2 games ana say ba so nya maso and am say Mediama ebo CAF Champions League okay and Dreams FC ebo CAF Confederations Cup nti e ma 2 games and to be amaso and na senke 108 games in total but am so mienu si akan e CAF competition munti 106 games and it me so far 106 games you know you have 57 home wins and you have 15 away wins say uram e drawn games na 34 and it me atoja so far say uram and so our goals are at Metoja, our young bet for Premier League. My senior city 200 goals and I toja in 106 games. And now home goals no 132 and at me I toja away goals no 68 okay. And our first half goals 94 and our second half goals no 106. Near the second half no and so at me our whole pa 2 own goals per and etimia toja e bet for Premier League na o he penalties are and no enso etimia toja 21 penalties in emu 18 and a players na enso etimia po e de ato atinam emu miensa and no enso entimi anto antinam na say o he yellow card na 376 yellow card and toja na fe 16 red cards and etimia toja e bet for Premier League nim after match week 12 na uwura mu away statistics for match week 12 say na siko 7 games in a team told ya because the 2 games in the team am so na am say teams need see akan Africa 7 games na told ya home wins 2 away wins 2 and after 1 games no 11 goals in the buy in total and after 5 goals a buy in the first half and as a home goals 5 and after away goals no and so team 6 until say the city aka 2 games ebebo can match with 12 when it's be bien so to me abana we ya eno ene sere no man enso city na say uram na o sere no man enso si kwa we top 10 for the most away wins teams so much me din kunim e won krofon kro so na say na city asante kotoko ne dikan 2 wins ene wanya e wa away sanso na benya adwena pokra so di wo 2 games on so wini e wa away media matos wo so 2 games wa wini wa away breakum Chelsea and so etos wo so wini 2 games e wa away Hasselhoff a wini baako e wa away Dream Stars a wini baako e wa away Beche United and so wini baako e wa away Real Tamale United a wini baako Nations a wini baako na afei Accra Lions so etuma wini baako no ene sere no man enso si kwa mere to anim ene ahwefo enso anim e wa dwumadi ne so na wo hwemu away e most clean sheet Abranche fan Emmanuel Kubifo Bofokwatano FC wono e was 7 clean sheets in 12 games. Daniel Faju for Insuachaman e was 7. Benjamin Asari for Great Olympics e was 7. Kofi Ba for FC Samates e was 5 na fei or being such a Gregory enso e was 5 no any clean sheets ahodwa atodwa e was embed for Premier League medal to ahwefo enso ne yatie for na o ko wani mu away e top 10 for most wins e ofie top 10 for most wins e wo fie na say ohwemu ase na city Samates ene di kan 6 games na Samates win wo fie na say fie do kwa Samates so ye ne wo de wachi beka form 6 games Samates win e wo fie
on Central Sports Complex
so banko ade a odo be to level sanso ena nsu ateman to so mienu 5 games on so win e wo fie aduana so wo fie a win 5 Great Olympics a win 4 Nations a win 4 Brekum Chelsea enso a win 4 Accra Lions a win miensa Bofokwata no awini miensa Real Tamale United awini miensa and afi Beche United enso atuma wini miensa Luther se wo hwe mu a yen top clubs no if you cry no on performance e yade a enkoyie most wins wo fie top clubs na e wo krum esi enim omo no obia enso
kotoko ne has
bia ni home wins no obia enim disapepe in city most points accumulated in the last 5 games aya bo to aso yi team to major points akese pa no say na table na so sitie on the points near 15 last 5 games no na say wo hwemu a Brekum Chelsea ena di kan 13 points wonya out of the 15
okay
into team say nyoma koyi pa enso team e dia ma no so hwe Nation Service on so to so mienu 12 points wonya out of the 15 wonya FC Samates to so miensa 10 points out of the 15 no wonya team a friend e Accra Lions on so 10 points and wonya Diana etos wono so 9 points na fe Beche United enso e 9 points yen teams akese no Luther e ade a emu enso erem omo enso performance ni ade a enso da inison desire pe e city e red card atodwa enso ene yellow card atodwa e we bet Power Premier League nim na say na hun 7 no enso city sa wo share red card na total red card no e 16
okay
ene timi atodwa untiremu ni players 15 and I did red card afi coach Bako as what made red card na say ena di chewun sitie yellow card no di mienu a e kabo mane red card eno e 12
okay
and a straight red card no e 4
that's so, direct no?
Yes direct wa ko di boni bi na esi da boni we di ni football mu ndi jo red card na kono eno enso e 4 ndi sa na di chemu no enso sitie na hwe table na Beche United di kan ono e 2 Lagos Cities e 2 Mediama wo 2 Swataman wo 2 Dreams FC Brekum Chelsea Gold Stars Asante Kotoko Nations FC Bofokwata no Real Tamale United Heart of Lions obia aje mako a eno ene sere no man enso sitie e wo embed for Premier League ma yedo tua hefo ene yatiefo anyway ene sere table sitie after match with 12 channel say teams ni bi wo ha omo game mako omo enso betimi abonto omo de omo abo 11 na ebi enso betimi abo 12 de ono efa first position no Ghana Football Club 21 points eno wo second no enso ateman ono so 21 points FC Samates toso third or 20 points Brekum Chelsea etoso fourth ono so 20 points fifth position no Nations FC ono and our 17 points. Bechem United it was 6 over 17 points. Hearts of Folk it was 7th it was 16 points. Kumasi Asante Kotoko it was 8th for no so it was 16 points. Great Olympics it was 9th for no it was 16 points. But for Katano it was 10th or 16 points. Mediama it was 11th or 16 points. Nemo but for Katano any Mediamo Bia was standing in Bakwa or no enso ebetimi abontomo enso ede no na se uhwemu Accra Lions enso edi ho benya Dream Service ono to so 13th ono enso 14 points. Real Tamale United to so 14th ono so 14 points. 15th no Kawela United ono 12 points. 16th position no Bebiani Gold Stars ono 12. Legon City to 17th ono 12 na fe Heart of Lions twatoa ono enso 8 points ano ene sere no man enso si kwa de etu ya hefo ene yatiefo anim. Top scorers no say any city here. Abrantia, your friend Isaac Mintasina Kain, Edema Adriana Football Club, ono, and Kain with 9 goals. I want to answer Timmy Apostle, or Bet Power Premier League name. I free also for Real Tamale United, I was 6, Augustine Okra, Bechem United, and so I was 6 for Honabia, Abrantia, friend Baba Hamid Musa, 5, no answer for Samates Nafi, Hamza Issa, Eo Edema Craftsful Kono, and so L5, and no, and it's a man, and so Seco, Bet Power Premier League. Luther Way, and team of the week. James Francis ono edini juma adama team my friend Accra Lions odi supporters what na mention am say all the way Domako ekodi nkunim ti hwe ya na Domati bo huhuru no na okokodi nkunim wo ha na supporters obeba enso akoti en team no na o ha say NCT goalkeeper no Obin Gregory Searcher osina kan edema team my friend Brekum Chelsea Emmanuel Boahi enso ejinam ono enso osina kan edema Nations FC Emmanuel Odai osina kan edema Bebiani Gold Stars ono enso ebo bi Samuel Oseko for Bechem United ejinam na afei Yaudan kwa for Brekum Chelsea ono enso ejinam Asia kan ni bi ede amayen Emmanuel Kayeke osina kan edema Samates Richmond Lamte osina kan edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Emmanuel Eyejiba osina kan edema Lions Baba Musa Amadou Sinakan edema Samates Nafi Abdul Shakun Sinakan edema Accra Lions Nafi Steven Mukwala Dese Sinakan edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo ne mrante duba akwa omo afimu anase weekwemu omutimi wuramu oye team of the week ni mo bo ho enso etimo ho ntiluta ubeso mu na afi Mr Boadu ene ref aba na said decisions score ni insambia udi say wasote no omo enso etimi dia ntiluta. Over to you. Me da say Ricardo Varas and our ten and cano. So far, wa boy juma pa wa miyunu March week 12. The SCC year statistics are do and normal do si suya a boy ma ye league no ye timi update ye ho yehunu said ye league no ye see recognizing fa enyina no damane edu sam pempen so ya na Mr Bodu eno ye Michael Asaribodu and referee GK Manu eso baby room na incident outdoor esisi ya menumie yente nwase uko base in parliament outdoor debate outdoor mo de ahyehyɛ so ebi go enye go ebi say offside enye offside a red card enye red card ni nyina mu no omo baby room na yase ahwɛ na mom hyɛ no so say ye be say your second draw of the day Sompa sika promotion and one say o dial star 256 star 3 hash na 5 series in ebetew more na oye no na o chance say we win no obi di 500 series here more na o send no na uso chance say obenya sika bebre no so ekosro pa anti gusua na twa Mr Bodu ayekradwa wone refugee came anu eso ebe sum na eso ma rewru ma hwe na ese so far incident awudwa esisi e bikura se enra Newcastle United ekwa away ewo Paris omne PSG time 90+8 minutes additional time na sa Mbappe penalty no or convert in class na nye Mr Bodu boko de
yeah Luther nyame adom bibia kama yeah de nyame as nyame adom
ne do sam redia we ase nyina edamo Ghana ye Premier League no ya fatu say be som Ghana na ya kira de asua de one referee GK Manu monto asoma me
well ref
yeah I mean take opportunity na me fa say first time me say 19 from elections
referees and
there be assembly.
Okay, assemblyman.
Madam for be ejina bi.
Oh, okay. On the picture.
Asafo wife.
Okay.
Me
yeah, up on the picture.
Or the Jew. One echo. And my wife was so called as Unity
community member.
Oh, wow. The Georgina Etuahene.
Okay.
Nti amount for and that is area no.
Amunye way. Ref I have a pictures in the send him now. Yeah heavy. Because I deal with fear. Oh yeah. Luther, I adwumedi ada ye di na watwe bia woku ada no. Aya na ye say ye de trade say de dodo na omo hwe so besua de de free mu. Na enra omo hyemra wo football mu. Ma omo kebi ewo mu no. Omo hia na ye fra omo IFAB. Na IFAB ni hia no. Omo etie gina wo nioma ba ko mienu miensa. Omo titiri mienu. Ana me pese me ne ref di ho nkomo kakra nsakra na eye incidents kakra e wo no so ref asanso e de nenim de de abata ho a wa cheche me de amaye. Now key amongst decisions are IFAB take here no ba ko ye friend sin bin. Sin bin e che se we di bone nti ye do koto eye emure mu ana ball mu nti sin ana bin. Now omodi we na about to tackle the scent. Actually about English football omo various tiers of the game apart from the higher level no since 2019-2020 afa no maji atum say nyakopon ya adoma match next year omuhia afa ombeto so abana oma approve for the higher levels no na enche ebia na eba ye ball nim nti ehu behia se yedi hu nkomo ye chiechim kakra na before say be bakra no na ya tia se nti enya aba pe enya afa ni ebebisa nsem bebre enso de afa ho ref Sinbin no according to FA no and IFA for no omo no temporary dismissals na omo de be tackle descent una we dey mrani ye adwuma wa ya ache descent na ye de ade
can say descent is as yeah obambrani ma descent no but two aspect.
Okay,
I say descent by word or action and by word kuna by action.
Okay,
I can say by word ebia refuge foul no na what him na referee foul ase referee dey kan say ka
challenge referee authority. Okay,
and you can say by action when so go we foul na watch ball no what we dey ahwefom
ye bi we juma go ball no referee
just up so say only referee ni adwen nti no na ayi em so person mo ayi ho ayi no ma wo say history akra wo afa ayi no say da bia o mo meetie a ye wo for a year you will FIFA.
Okay.
And now sa English for no F4 no English
Irish
Scotland for no account na for ntom is international football association board.
Okay.
To amuna awu review laws no. Nti akase bia ya amend law na sa for no kwata. Na omo transfer we say you February
November you call December.
So hwa da bia omo ya na say omo gituma implement in June into we say no March no be akoy meeting.
Okay,
into no so omo enyina tie ase say bia sa mra na enya dwuma dia then June the enti am de ko June say sa time na ayi for no
Euro for no season
na abodwie enti na say be start
new season
na e be start and now e be kura na ye babu ya gbo Work up and I say my tournament be on one. I'm not start.
I'm the same.
June effective fair June. To say I'm equal chance na muji tuma. Be take effect from fair June 2024. No sana history back in say we na omo no. Omo gia. We say
temporary dismissal. Good. That option I will say players will only go into the sin bin for descent cautions. Into the oche mu no the player no dey no can and action obey a challenge referee authority.
We say no, say we say no, you say players now park no so nko.
Okay,
it goes to the substitutes. It goes to what the team officials no. So first na yema team official nek yema yellow card, yema mo red card. But say no yema.
Ntu gina ho kra na wo here the center.
Then ba ko mu a ya na o kan ya ro bi say seven be a referee di match.
Okay,
the fourth referee no so ho bi a what say obi edi referee na tem no bi a bobusa say bi a hwan edi na tem no so when me he call the referee aka che say bi a obi edi watem to bobusa the senior coach no odina honom no so when tinya anka na say record a coach be record akotan say
wow.
So that's how it is.
Interesting.
Say the be ya coach no betimi a control
players officials no more. So when almost say after no more man yellow card pay. Ya ma yellow card now. We a player. Ujina ball ni move ba. Okotena nchen 10 minutes. Until after 10 minutes and no was sound so abim. Now ref ever say had.
We say almost Eddie. There was a football me I can say amendment no. Na ya na eboa e ma ekue we I say VAR e ba say I say initially na yeah can one say but say asema for atiase nti eye do e wono negatives dey but positive do so we say nothing na ye be implement nti be man say bia oko say other games say handball as hockey
rugby ne
it's ma o yoko they want to introduce this one I'm say a temporary dismissal nti anu ye decent nko
decent
the other incidents are yellow card but mo fan say omo practice with decent
okay
I say ref na GBB one na nya adwene obedi challenge na nti question say bet 10 minutes
nti say one person obet na nchen 10 minutes na and the referee attempt and challenge referee okay so in a way you know the 10 minutes not to the yellow card not to for decent so to avoid being in such a situation and muntu mo hofo
and you are can so e be kwama ye referees no say eni say yensu ya bisu sabe bia me di match mama all my a decent yes ko 10 minutes aya we na shame after 10 minutes you come bro so almost situation
but I say
a amendment never so we can say 10 minutes referee make sure said after 10 minutes na our friend one friend na FIFA I know ebeba the about science beba so so anya o referee na also they also take you on because on mama say oba baby
abuse power
but we say na eba no yamanum na nhwe because we players no ebe to fofa
to oba advice say ke enya ba betomo a from June we can FNA apply because some say competitions they bet me apply
say the omo aya no say okay Ghana cry a league here say the yes asynchronizing no yes be duru ho start time yes we league o nti say be start 2023-24 na e be ye start time na we no so be
it will be encourage say FNA
apply
wow Luther enti we yan koma ekoso wo Simba no ho nsensem anyway at the appropriate time no e be sure say next year hon komma bebo baba ref
make me ba kwa at times when I come here na manage wo ho kakran say bibi ba at least you also do a lot of research enyaye ni alaka nti say o ka e ma ye hu the ACFA me yana me mpe say obi tie o say e buy offside amendment ne buy no obi echo to na ye two countries be the canon person price
exactly
man for anhwe no can say there be say dey anti you educate man for I'm very happy say anything that comes out there ebeba and I say bia esi and you discuss say there be ya ye nyina beti ase me pese ebebu etima ko ya de bi na be ko ye na critical program see I say see the musi munyansa na I know people are I want for tie because at times if you programmer be more any feedback na wunya no obi okura o hwe program bi but also more that be Facebook
YouTube
na akoti
send yan ka say mani wa kan wie no ho evidence so that
wa if say opportunity na yenya no ahombrasio mu no ni say yenso ya abuse no
ref I say the mo ye nti na say controversial decisions in time masa nti o share through match week 12 games na about those say a cap 2 outstanding games I answer the nya any contentious decision be a referee take bibia muda
makase we are getting a name be right but if you are ebinum entiase no say we are na passion bo na moral issues ntiana yenya ntia ba say kase trans ne ya and me ayi ba ko amebo efefo na abaso any assessors na
referee assessors
na maybe referee somebody obi a o assess me no also or a referee no di bi nyese bia o di bi keke o odi a ono so experience o honum enti after matches no we say ba you call them and then but to go kra na on share but bia o come match with me from say o come match enti e bia na enti e course it me feel say where we are getting to no if you say F no to aso me go say what here CAF all matches CAF match bia there's an assessor. Cup match bia under 20, under 17. AFCON.
Yeah, qualifies from I think Nigeria need to be assessor for Black Queens.
When assessor, no say yeah, after na year starting. The assessor, those who go for matches, FIFA for no. Assessor no, you are in one hotel. If you pursue free hotel no, if you have monitor, or assessor can hold up.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are paying say it will come.
Ref, Yanko UEFA Champions League now. This is Newcastle away at Paris Saint-Germain, Parc des Princes. Na game ne cost no 98th minute. Ana ya penalty way edema aye PSG for mo de ti omoka. Game ne 1-1. Newcastle win ya and ke boa chances of qualifying. Me person wo hwe ni din. Ball no ball Newcastle player nensa. But it looks like a deflected in the body. And a ball nensa no. Enti me pa cho hwe ni din bi on fama me. Na ye hu ne clear enie. Enti ahanie born, I think the Tino Livramento into born a born in fame and a co-born in sa any. Who's a born in fino and a deflect a co-born in sa. Why won't church a money?
Now, so share situation when now, say player no, see what's in honeymoon or making the body beginner. And then one thing I ask myself, say player a 2 America or can say now we have something known as what understanding what the game.
Okay.
And now, I said, I said, spectators in na ete eni me biase kane no born in 9 ko born nsa ondo se born nsa nko ade eyi but say entiase ba enti we say na e born the body no you ask yourself what say we see o move so ensa no e kodada
exactly
have you seen it I'm going to say we understanding of what the game enti a born in fino
I said me ko say yes. I am emotion enti me emotion no me to
nsa enti we say so offside rule you fan sanka hoda
okay
won't you say me sana tra because you 2 America you 2 yansa say
exactly
have you seen it so what situation we are all 10 no nsana 10 bi na we say no you say bia was stretching nsana no me say a normal situation and na abon body no nti abon body we hwe bia body no ene nsana no na a boy bubble.
Yes, me armpit.
Yes,
me elbow na. I am a red side.
I'm on the body no, and a born in Sananka. It will be a different issue.
Okay.
So I'm on inside in the body, like a born in Sananka. It will be a different issue. But so far as I'm born in Sano, it also changes to a different. And it can be a car on the body now. Can be a car on in Sano.
Wow.
Have you seen it? So me, like I'm saying, where was the referee? How did he see it? VAR for so who said
VAR friend is on the show referee the initially one j
and e ba ko a maybe I can say VAR no enye na any take decision no
okay
it will give you
said the clear and obvious
because the decision of the referee is always final it is me call na me hwe na me say me no nya adwen me no nya adwen any punishment be bia na I will take it
okay
and say okọ na say bia VAR na ma footage wa ma angles they give you a lot of angles
okay
that's what here don't come and tell me say VAR na ma oje I'm say yanti asia so far as you've taken the decision it's your decision
they only help the process
you said obit me take it and that's what share we say so share match UEFA match na EPL anyway na on use no we say offside is here play I referee no asan referee no twanya ma player no yeah offside no or hwe say or interfere with play and now interfere with what ball no na ho ball no ye ha say no yam say ba ni agide enti ye je say ye ni ba enti e to mo na ye de but omo no they have every other this we say no ba not every actually but more different angles say be a ball ha say yasan e be ball insani you say so when you come and then you take the decision it's your decision
there was referee never footage na me dey here ejuma wa
it say we say o hwe ba bia ball ya boy ene insana almost one team yan insana mo hwe na on sans search no me referee no so je penalty me ne nya adwo
very controversial okay away from that this is more controversy. There's a penalty incident, FA Cup, Asante Kotoko Nations FC. I said that I'm controversial. So I have a penalty in my Asante Kotoko this item.
So, okay, you cannot see the referee.
Yeah.
You cannot see the referee. That time referee was just
by
yes. And now, which is okay, can referee no jai We say what exactly. But because of the position of the assistant referee, he saw it, and then you could see say that particular player was fouled by what?
They was born in here.
Nations player. Now, assistant referee no no. Those on the field nobody complained. But one more job on Tiano.
I don't know.
And I know just say me the name say assistant referee no. Na me bona one say so kwa moano I was say in the BBC here. As a referee, if they are taking the referee on, they will take the assistant referee also on because on they not once when official never it won't see the players this one me be onya hu ne but wo de wo no msa so nti if say the assistant referee did
because we kwanya magnify near usual player you original na or block the view of the camera the camera na say da enhu ne ye nti eno so de ewo ho. I think so we have one final decision a lower league game was Spain youth game cry ref any ya go the blue team no ana ashe go ama o maji go no ma omo yina ka bom omo jubilate eni jemu anisa yeji eni na red team ne che ball no omo de koto hwe wo say obi free hell goalkeeper ni na be join omo ana omo be pass ball so omo pass ba kick off na omo so ko share ref we ne
so emra no the
we ne
emra
sa
emra
okay
yes explain adin so when and then I make sure the entire boys ni so much go no mu jubilate a o mo bontia mo pese park so no when the entire
David ref
man say a referee can start a match when the other team players no 7 including the goalkeeper.
Wow. Ti wa mo fa we ni put in my we dey
copyright crowd be say ka we dey you jubilation kakra na o say go no bia you jubilation we dey nyina ha say
enti ya ga ya
players ni nyina go park so obi MPA
keeper no cross over back count
enti say ono no ya hye no onhwe
on to us more
by referee mistake all you say ansa na ka ya be start so make sure say win more half. Me say man frontiers here the law says two things we say no say bia fan say bia nka ball bi kwa say there's a match I share no stadium last Friday
okay
na team bi share go
okay
nti after everything my flag say offside
okay
Asante Links for no ko share go
okay
at that time na scores near 1-1
all right
nti Asante Links for no enya ball na onya ball no twin miensa and of course but watching from say we are the player be that position into the player one pass it
okay
the player now that position come no call no question go then that's how the referee flag went up
wow
call no referee no bom say offside or bom say offside na no so to no na pa am go go enti wem go near the salary but wem go near
yeah
enti who will park so but we say no there referee mistake why e wo ha say anytime be go I share na better start no the team should be in their own half. They should be in their own half. But we say, "Omu nyina gu ha."
Ya she go.
Yeah, but we say na you best start no. Why na?
Because we say goalkeeper lead me ba.
Yes.
Referee is so fair.
Yes.
Yes.
We say common sense you tell. We say that nations ne Olympics.
Yeah.
Ball na about a manager say ball na interfere, but common sense should tell you the referee, the understanding of the game should tell you say ansana you be trouble who say ball on the park so. Nti dey na so oye.
Momo
yem so. Na ye. So nti we referee no no of I say oh, wa she go no oju bia say bufu go say dey you. Na hi. Meanwhile all the players are in the
half of the opponent omojo.
Ni problem nti o say ko twen at least come ba ha say omunye be gu ha say na omun down position there and then there's another aspect am pesa man for hwe who say be start match yeah pesa goalkeeper down pole there's no way in our law who say goalkeeper no enkoda pole mu na me ko catch goalkeeper na so me enkoda pole ya na me gina obende but the law says they should be in their own half
and own half nya pole mu
wan kasa pole mu but yeah no yam passem o man ko gina say na ko sia and na goalkeeper no na pole.
Okay, can we start a game without the goalkeeper?
You can't. The law says opa for 20 players go gina park no so
goalkeeper
can one team o say adakoto match bi so money 7 man I don't know yeah be na 2 players of kotoko e wa chire and na we referee no ba me say referee no ha no ho me ma
I know
because of 99 and man just say you can start a game when one team is 7, including the goalkeeper. Now we are 9 there. Name one may start it. Now some in front now we park as well. My choice of Brands will. Now the yellow card at Joe.
Okay. Ref, me da se pa. I think say le yesu ade pa. Yesu ade tie da saluta.
Me da say. Michael Asarbodu ne referee GK Manu na wote say omoso am yesu ade no na ma menye me fana draw no kra nwie sisia ya ansa na makwa akofa course kakra e dia Brian Sompa 93.1 Sompa sika promotion ma menye fana draw no ne nhwe the second person a obe win 500 Ghana cedis ene no ma yenhwe draw na no matwi a numbers ne gusu a koso no na bibia so I fine na bibia fine draw na ne gusu a koso na draw na ne gusu a koso na draw na ne gusu a koso na me yenhwe de okay the nipa we number ne 05308790530879 last 3 numbers no ye de te enti ono na no so anya 500 cedis enti mo hwe na ye nko na mu mansa na me course no so no making
that's why some star we
oh da bia there
nse minim recruit because obi discuss we need money pa no
mania what Jessica no
yes we need money no
mate and you see nwa ba koso wo Sompa sunyane di ne Madrid register
exactly one fantastic guy yeah
atabo say
Emma
wow
ade odamamu anase ni nua no ma koso opema
Madrid register
na atabo ko wan na wo sunya wo di ne birthday ni no asem
nse me ne o ma na koba enti le du mi so amuso nka omo de immigration form teacher form fire service ba ko ho police me na ko order use bet to me ne ko ba ko Emma
onye hia ni da
yes che
mi yonko
na menye it's only na ko ya boko ye de
okoje dwa no no ma
na oko ye
na come de me
funa na peke mame hwe na minute hale yes sir beba cho Sompa sika promotion na wa win no yeah now we did this how fine o say the champ so now we did
the from Ivan
Ivan scanner ba be go phone so and that na Sompa sika promotion e yo po edam no kre na ucha say
ucha one take it
oso ucha say 5 cedis fan out try yama otrim kwa fancy Sompa sika promotion ye jedwa obo odecham so 500 cedis wadi eya na so do wasem bi na bre me kwa me de dwumadi na si yantim fa course na mfa nche ebre no aye bre nyame pe na sa dum ye about 3 pm e ba betena se de shoot out no e de abro referee came anu ba me de GPS